Like right now, bro, this is every single sign of a local top is checked off right now. Like I'm very,
No,
very
bro.
nervous because, bro, I'm
Bro,
in NFTs right now. My NFTs are up 2x right now. My NFTs are up. My Doge Pound NFT is up 2x. My Imposters NFT is up 2x. Like, bro, Trump just
Munza.
dropped the token the day after Gary Gensler gets dropped out. Inaugurations in 2 days, bro. If we don't crash after this, then the Bitcoin will literally go to 1 million without correcting even one time. But if we don't, we're going to see the biggest correction of all time, and people are going to get absolutely smacked. And then I'll buy in at hopefully 85, 75, 85K Bitcoin. But this will not get anywhere close to Dogecoin. I will put my reputation on that. This is a great
Right,
meme and will do
all
very
I'm
well.
saying,
But it's not
Cade,
going to touch Doge.
Kate, all I'm saying is that like you were saying that like the meme ability, like that the meme isn't as big. The Trump is a bigger meme than Doge.
I don't believe it.
Like that.
I'll believe when I see it. But to flip Doge is I think that's crazy. This is great right
I
out the
just think
gate.
as like a meme,
6,000%.
not even like a meme token, just as a meme, dude. Trump is like, I don't
I don't
know.
think so. I don't even think it's close. Doge is like, well, I mean, I'll say this: Trump will probably be remembered for a long time, but I don't think they're the same category. Like they might be in the same meme territory, but I don't see like a Pepe meme and a Doge meme don't fall in the same category as Trump for me. I don't think they're the same.
No.
They are the same crowd, but I just don't think they're the same. I don't think Trump gets anywhere near that level.
I think it's bigger.
It's way bigger, man. It's way
I
bigger.
hope I'm wrong because people will make a lot of money. This is going to be a good bet to bet on during this next 4 years, especially. It'll be good to be able, there's so many Trump assets you could be swing trading, and I think it's a good idea to be swing trading them. But to think that this Trump meme is going to go to a Dogecoin level market cap, I think is absurd. It's been out for like 3 hours. So like, of course it's up 6,000%. I mean, we'll see what happens, but it's got a lot to run if it's gonna flip Doge. I think that's crazy. I think that's absolutely not gonna happen. But it's insane. It's not that.
If it doesn't flip Doge, it's gonna go close to it, man. And with a matter of days, bro. Literally.
No, this is gonna sell off at some point, and it's gonna be very bad. Look at this, dude. Look at this 1 hour chart. You ready? Look at the 1 day chart. Just a straight line. Do you remember we did this in the stream with whatever token? We're like, yo, put the day chart on. Don't look at the 1 minute. Put the day chart on. This is crazy, bro.
I don't think you are bullish enough, man.
Oh, I'm very
what
bullish.
do you think?
I'm very
What's
bullish.
your prediction?
But you are crazy bullish. That is not even that's not even, I don't even think that's in the same ballpark. I am crazy bullish on this token, but that is absolutely ridiculous.
Not in the same ballpark.
Not even
close. What do we got to do?
Okay,
what do we got to do to get to Doge?
This thing would have to fly to 30 billion before we blink, and then hold that and have no sell-offs. And then people have to keep buying. I just don't see that happening. I think there's going to be.
I don't think this is going to be a 45-minute stream.
Well, yeah. I mean, honestly, this would be interesting to track. Actually,
this is going to rip straight up. This is going to rip.
Let's see. Is there anything comparable that's come out in the last year that would have a parabolic rise that we could compare at all? Problem is the situation that we have is so unique.
Okay,
why did I fall asleep 3 hours ago? You messed up, bro. You should not have slept. You can't sleep in bull markets.
Is Doge, and then everyone was like, well, Sheep's the next Doge, and then Sheep, now it's Trump.
Pepe as well.
Yeah, no, Pepe.
I firmly stand my that will not happen.
Okay, let's end it with the prediction. What's your max target? Do you think that the token will go before its crash, Kate?
I could see like 16, 17 billion, and I think we probably slow down. I think people get really, really bullish when we're up, and then it starts to slow down. I could be wrong, but I think we start to slow down before 20 billion. Before 20 billion.
Monza.
Dude, I don't have a price prediction, but I think we'll say 20. I think 20 is pretty easy.
By the way, what kind of timeline are we looking at? Like, serious, what kind of got in at 100 million? Are you serious?
Dude, that is crazy early.
I would consider taking some off the table if you're up that much, just purely from a trader's perspective.
Nah.
These things can go up and down, but to not cover any position is crazy. 100 million.
Don't take profit, man.
How many X's is
Kobe.
this?
You gotta Kobe.
That's a lot of
to
X's.
12 billion. That's so many X's, bro.
Oh, dude,
I'd be taking some profits. Oh, okay.
I wouldn't take any profit at this price range, man.
He was not. He was just joking.
I will tell you one thing, kid. I think half of the crypto market now still think that Trump account got hacked. A lot of people still doesn't believe it. And when there will be some confirmation, when there will be some confirmation, that's an easy 2x from here.
Bro,
easy.
It's confirmed right now. We're at $12 billion. What do you want more than confirmed? Everyone just got wrecked.
Nah. Bro, go to the comment and see how many people think it's not real. And he was hacked.
Let's see. Hold on. Saw it at 4 billion. Let's. And Mikhail said, let's go. Yeah, we're basically debating whether or not we're close to a top here, and this is going to correct before 20 billion.
I
we're
think
going to 20
we're going to use Dogecoin.
Like soon, Cade.
I think I'm going to go to sleep and wake up. I think I'm going to go to sleep and wake up, and it's at 30 billion.
I don't think so.
I think so, man. I think it's going to flip 30 billion in 24 hours.
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
Wow, look at this thing.
He's not bullish enough, Monza. He's not bullish enough, man.
I've seen too much. I'm very bullish. I just think y'all are crazy, and you have there's nothing back in it. You're just like throwing numbers out. To think it's gonna flip Doge is such a crazy statement. I'm concerned for Seuss's like well-being. I'm like, how much has he slept? To flip Doge is so.
I haven't slept in 30 hours.
So crazy,
this is going
bro.
to 1 trillion market cap, Cade. You don't understand. We're gonna be looking at.
Let's see. Hold on.
We're gonna be looking at.
If it does a few more X's, he'll be able to pay off. Oh no!
No, they're
dude,
gonna.
This is a good one. This is a good one.
That's so funny, bro.
This is a good one. Trump will go, hey guys, I solved the debt of the US. I launched a meme coin and I fucking sold it. There you go. You guys are fucking welcome.
No, dude, he's gonna buy Greenland with Trump token.
Come on, Cade. Come on, man. This is going what Monza said. Bro, worst case scenario is going like 22, 25 in like 24 hours. Not even.
Wow, look at this, dude. This is a big time pump right here.
Cade, wow. you know, Monza, what will be funny? If it's flip 20 billion while we are still streaming.
that would be pretty funny. That would be pretty funny. Even if it did, though, even if it, in all seriousness, even if it did, it's still. I just don't think it comes anywhere close to Dogecoin. I just don't think that's even close.
I'm not happy because I only throw like 1,200.
When did you get in, Seuss?
7 billion market cap.
Oh, congratulations! Look at that, 2x.
Yeah. But what the congratulations for, bro? I lost over like 3.7 something ETH on my Hinlu position because everyone GT'd it for Trump. So Trump still owes me around $12,000. So he better make it up.
Feel bad for Seuss. Please retweet the stream. I just realized I hadn't even asked for anyone to retweet the stream. Please retweet the stream if you're enjoying it. We're just keeping track of this Trump thing. I am honestly just so shocked. Oh my God, dude. Wait, this is not real.
Dude, Zach asked me not to go to sleep.
My friend Ash invested. Wait, no, this can't be real. Dude, my friend Ash just made 1 million sold profit. He leverage played and made this is not real. This can't be real. If this is real, he made $280 million. Hold on. This has to be fake. I'm about to call Zet right now. Wait, no. This cannot be real, bro. If
just say it's real. Why are we even saying it's fake? Who cares? Just larp for the stream. That fucker made $280 million. Cade's boy made $280 million.
Oh, it's fake. It's fake. All right. I was gonna freak out because Wow, dude. Oh my gosh. I thought that was real for a second. Holy crap. I thought he made $290 million. I was about to call him and be like, bro, buy me a private jet. No, I'm kidding. I wouldn't have said that. But
Dude,
that's
seriously though, imagine if I texted you that screenshot and it was legit. If
dude, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
oh,
Man. Wow. That I am like recovering from that. My heart was beating so fast. I thought he made $300 million, bro. That was, oh my gosh. Wow, that was insane. Emp, I see Emp in the chat. Emp, if you're watching the stream right now, he's one of the better traders that I know. What are you thinking here? I'm actually, you know what? I probably shouldn't ask you this. You don't have much experience in meme coin lands, but they're thinking this thing could flip Dogecoin. I think that's absolutely absurd. I think it's going to do very well, but I think flipping Doges, I don't even think that's, I don't know, dude. Like, that sounds so absurd. Oh my God. He's getting first class tickets. He just bought in and made some profit, I think, too. That's funny. Man, okay, wow. Well, I don't know what to think, bro. I don't know what to think. 13 billion right now on the stream. I feel like I don't even want to check any other charts right now. So I guess we'll just sit here and talk while we just look at this thing and see what happens.
dude, these buys are hilarious.
What are we looking at here?
Just seeing like 23K, 29K, 48K,
70 grand.
99K, 99K.
Dude, oh my gosh.
It's
This is
so
nuts,
funny.
dude. The good thing is, Seuss, as soon as people pull profits from this, it's going straight back into the other coins. If there are other coins you guys have been trying to get into and they've already crashed, I would consider getting into those.
Bro, I'm considering.
If you don't think that we're going to have a full blow off top, which is very, 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 very possible. At this point, if we crash from here and everyone looks back and says, I mean, that'll be the most obvious top signal of all time. The president of the United States dropped a meme coin and it's sent to 12 billion. We'd all have to just be, ashamed of ourselves at that point if this thing crashes. But at the same time, I kind of want to enter the market. This is bull markets, bro. Oh no. And don't say it like that, bro. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying if we top here, it will be so beyond obvious it's gonna hurt. Because right now I'm so bullish that I want to buy other coins. It's tough. This is tough.
Dude, I love
Dude, I'm legit thinking to liquidate 50% of all my holding and put it in Trump just now. I'm talking about
this is exactly why we're not going to go to Doge, because everyone is thinking that, but the whales have already bought in at 5 million, 10 million, because the amount of allocations other people would have gotten for this token, they're going to dump right on top of you, and you're going to lose all of that money.
I just saw someone sell 500K, but I could be wrong.
What? Are you serious? Hold on.
It's going so fast, bro.
Yeah, it is moving fast.
And then I scroll and it just fucks.
65K, 50 grand, 59,000, 30,000.
My eyes are deceiving me.
Good Lord. All right, let's see if we can
We're at 13.5 though.
Is there any way I can sort these by price?
Oh, maybe.
Possible?
USD.
by the top source.
Top traders. Here we go. Top traders. Ready?
I really think this is gonna run at least to 25, 22. There is no way it's not gonna run that far.
Oh my gosh, bro. People have made millions of dollars on this token.
Yeah, let's see the top one.
Oh my gosh.
We're at 14, baby.
Oh my gosh, bro. Pumopoly says buy the top, Seuss. Yeah, please buy everyone's bags. Liquidate half your position and buy in at $12 billion, $13 billion.
I really think I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna bet on it that it's reaching 20 billion now. Soon.
You're betting your whole bag on a maybe 2x?
Yeah,
but my 2x is massive.
On a 50%. And he's going to do half his bag.
Sis, what's your record on trading when you jump into memes?
What chain you want? I have a pretty good record of winning, to be honest.
I don't know, bro. Every time I've gotten a text from you, you're down. You're down pretty bad.
I'm down. I'm down. Like, for example, now I'm down on Hinlu. Wait. Now I'm down in Hinlu. Wait. Now I'm down in Hinlu 3.75 ETH. But I'm also up on Hinlu for the past week, 6 ETH. So
This guy says this guy needs to chill and buy ADA for 2x. That's funny. That's funny.
Bro,
I really need to.
half of my bag is a sizable bag. A 2x of half of my bag is pretty good bag.
No, it's fine. I'm just saying to risk half your bag to only get a 2x is a bad decision. With risk reward, like risk ratios.
Man, I'm not getting a 2,000, 3,000 2x. I'm getting 20, 30,000 2x.
No, I know.
There's a difference.
Risk that. No, that's worse. You're risking more money for less of a return. I'm saying like
you either win big or you lose big. That's how crypto is, man.
True. That's not true at all.
That is how it is, bro.
You risk for a 5x return, and that way you don't have to.
This is an easy play to 25 billion, man. This is such an easy play.
Maybe. It's just I would never enter that big of a position with a 2x as my top, as like my. This is probably, you know, I would have to be like this. There needs to be such a clear path to a 5x that you'd have to be stupid not to buy in. But to say there's such a clear path only to a 2x, that's very high risk, bro. I'm trying to, Salvador. I'm trying to. I'm just saying it's high risk. It could work, and it probably will do okay. But that's a lot of risk for not a lot of return. You know, I mean, I know it's a big bag, but you're risking the whole bag. Is the other side of that coin.
I'm not risking. I'm only risking 50%.
Of your whole bag, Seuss. What are you talking about?
That's 50% of the bag, man.
Oh my goodness
risk it
gracious!
all,
Right.
Seuss.
Yeah. Please take Seuss's financial advice and follow into his trade if you're watching this stream. Risk your whole bag
Okay.
for a 2x, everybody.
Okay, kid. I want to have a bet. I don't usually bet, but I want to have a bet.
Oh,
What do you want to bet?
Oh, dude, this thing is sending. Oh wait. There we go. Okay, it came back down. Oh, I thought it was about to crack 15.
Whoa. An obvious
Whoa, this
rug?
is so nuts, dude.
Dude, how can you call something that Trump made an obvious rug, dude? I just don't get it.
Who's saying
It's
that?
not like
wow.
it's not like he's launched 8
Dude, these guys
projects.
played with my head. I was about to go through with it.
No. That's not what he's saying. He's saying risking 50% of your capital for a 2x is an obvious. Is not. He's saying that's a lot of risk just for a 2x. Is what he's saying.
Man, you are not computing the risk reward ratio. Okay, this is like 80% sure play.
A wise man once said,
This is why
"Had to risk it all just to win big.
No,
I'm gonna get this money. I'm gonna win."
Bro,
This
by
is
the time
why-
we were talking about it, it was 2.5. Now it's 14.8. Okay.
When you were talking about it too, you said?
No, the time we started talking about me saying the bag was at like 12.5 billion. Now it's at 14.8 billion.
Yeah, but you weren't going to
And
sell.
by the end of the stream, it's gonna be 20 billion.
All right, Seuss, get in the position, bro. If that's really what you think, risk half your bag.
You guys fucked with my head. I'm not gonna do it anymore. You literally fucked with my head. I was literally ready to pull the plug. I was about to do it.
I'm telling you to do it.
This guy wanted to put on 30 hours of no sleep after 20 hours of coding, wants to throw half of his entire net worth of his trading bag into a token for a maybe 2x. Do you understand how silly that sounds?
Yeah, but it's an 80% sure play, man. This is a Trump token we are talking about.
80% pump way back at 5 billion. Now at 15 billion. Story.
Monza took some sense to Cade, man.
Gonna rotate into near coins too. Not
It
sure
better.
if you saw that. But
It freaking better.
Dude, just-
Dali, Seuss, I don't know what this means.
I feel he shit talked me hard.
he's definitely calling you exit liquidity here. I don't know what this says, but I guarantee you it says something about you being exit liquidity for other traders. Rhyme is in the house.
No.
Let's go. Kate's doing good.
Rhyme, no. Rhyme, what do you mean? You should be
Dude, I hope I'm
encouraged.
so wrong. I hope I'm so wrong, and this is the worst decision ever, and Seuss could have made a huge 2x.
Oh God, he literally fucked with my head, man. I'm not gonna. I swear to God, I was about to do it.
Guys. Oh my gosh.
I haven't slept in 35 hours, man.
Yeah,
30 or 35 hours. I have that sleep.
Good job keeping Seuss distracted until we reach 25 billion market cap.
Oh god.
I sent Charles two contracts.
What do you mean Trump's announcement?
Can't check him tonight.
It's already on Twitter.
Yeah, literally.
What
He's saying like
announcement are you
he's
looking
up
for, Mike
100x
Mack?
leverage and he's up 400%. He might be up 6 figures. Because if he was leveraging like a $10,000, $20,000 position, he could be up 6 figures. Will you ask him? I want to see how much he's up. He's up 400% on 100x leverage. He could be winning big right now. I just don't know what he's messing with. Good grief. Okay. Let's see what else. Oh, we got Mike back in the house. Mike got it back at $4. Are you kidding? $4 billion, I assume. Trump's announcement will send
No,
us to
put
50 billion.
it at the price, not market cap, Kate.
What's that? Where?
Up. It's at. Is it at market cap or it's at price?
This is the price right here.
Oh, it's at. Sorry, it's at the price. It's at the price. You're right. So
Yeah,
you're 2x. He's 2x up, I think. 2.5, 3x.
Will traders buy and anticipate? That's the thing. So like, it's not that I don't think it's gonna pump. It's just that I'm telling you, people here, and here, when they bought, are up insane right now. So when you buy in at 20 billion, you're buying their bag, and they're scaling out of the position. And people who got an allocation early at 1 million are up like 100 trillion x right now. And to think that they're not going to sell at 25 billion, I think is crazy. That's the only thing I'm saying is that you're risking a lot of money, and it's already it's already 15 billion. It could go to 100 billion, but like the kind of risk you're talking about is crazy at this point to buy in. That's all I'm saying. All I'm saying is you're in like there's high risk here, and then there's like unbelievable high risk all the way up above my building, and that's where we're at right now. So it could keep going, and it probably will. Zach just entered the stream. Zach has been buying the whole time we've been on, just secretly before he jumped on.
I mean, who do you think was pumping it? Who do you think was pumping
exactly.
it this high the whole time?
What do you think, Zach? How are you doing, bro?
Seuss, you definitely should not buy this coin right now. If we were at like 1, 2, 5, 7, I would tell you, yeah, throw
7 billion is the last
time.
time 7 billion is the last time I thought I might enter. 7 billion, I thought about it and I said I'm not sure. Maybe I should have got in, but after 7, I was like, yeah, it's too high risk for me. The return's not there. I think, at least. It could be wrong, but I don't know. We'll see what happens, bro. I think it's very exciting. But Zach,
I haven't seen this look on Zach's face since about 4 a.m. in Bangkok.
Yeah, I was gonna say I've only seen that look one time in my life as well.
Yeah, how are we doing, guys?
I mean, great, dude. Great.
I think,
look at this.
Yeah, everything is right. So that's your Salvador. That's what I'm saying, bro.
So, I have a question.
Yep.
If you were to name the #1 grifters in the U.S., which family would you start with, do you think?
Will you give us some options?
Any family in the United States. Who would be near the top of the list as far as grifters?
The Rockefellers.
SBF.
How many living Rockefellers can you name? I'm talking about living, I guess. So.
Oh, you're talking so living human beings who have rugged people for lots of money?
No, who are just generally grifting people that sell gold coins, people that sell neckties.
Did you get screwed? Did something happen?
No. Oh God. Do you think I'm stupid enough to put money into this garbage? Like, that's what I'm saying. So.
Oh, wow.
He's saying, why the fuck are you buying Trump?
And it has nothing to do with politics. This is not a political statement. This is about this family is about nothing but leeching as much money as they possibly can out of their fans, their super fans, right?
Go to 100 billion.
Like I said, this has nothing to do with politics. It's not a political thing. It's not anything like that. But it's just they seek opportunities to make money, and especially if they can make money on the heads of people who are voluntarily giving it to them.
Sounds like you missed your entry. That's what I'm hearing.
Oh no. I mean, you could have told me this was on meme.cooking. You could tell me that this was, you could tell me right now that this was on fucking meme.cooking, not even launched yet, and I would not be putting money into this.
I do agree with this right here. Rick from Pawn Stars, #1 grifter.
Yeah, dude, that's hilarious. Rick is the
Should we,
number
should
one.
we call in our
Damn,
experts?
my
See what
man,
they
my
think?
man, Amp. Yeah, love my man, Amp.
He's the best.
Uh,
Shout out Emp. Everyone go follow him. If you're a trader
Yeah.
at all, or even want to be trading, you need this guy in your timeline. 1000%. He actually is the new host for Wolf Financial. So he's hosting all the Wolf Financial shows as well. So he's my counterparts. He's my twin and he's my shadow. I'm his shadow now.
Or
So
if
it's
you
kinda
hate the
lit.
Dallas Cowboys, also a good follow. So.
That's hilarious. Half my family is huge Dallas Cowboy fans.
Oh man.
Yeah, it's bad. I know. I've tried to talk them out of it, but they won't listen. It's okay. Man. All right. Well, okay. So I feel like a little bit of momentum's faded. Seuss, say you got in about 5
Here's
minutes
what I'm
ago.
saying. These
How are
people,
you
they
doing?
sell commemorative gold coins. Like, oh my God, you have to get this commemorative gold presidential coin. Like, you have to get this.
R.I.P.
I'm sorry.
Sorry. Although I will say, in all actuality, I do miss Imp in the sports spaces because he's one of the few people that can actually talk footy. So most people
There you go.
can't. He is the one of the few guys that can kind of hold court. Talking EPL, La Liga, Bundesliga, anything. So
I don't know what any of
By
those
the way,
things you said.
by the way, this is interesting, bro. Oh no, I was about to say this is a really interesting top right here. This took a long time to mull over. This is interesting. Man, I don't know, dude.
Seuss, it's time.
I think it is, man.
It's
I
time
really
to
think
enter.
it is.
But the whole position, not half. Go all in or nothing.
I
Jerry
really
Jones,
think it
number
is.
2, Grifter.
Bro, you know, guys, without my
This is great.
eyeglasses,
Yeah.
my eyes is barely open.
Oh no. My Mexican team just like, what is he talking about? What does he mean? Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, well, this could be uh-oh.
I don't know, but I think
Zach, you see that?
James Rodriguez. Yeah, and I think
Dude,
Neighbor's getting out of his Saudi contract. He's about to come to the MLS, I think. Not that I mean, speaking of Griff,
come to Puerto Rico.
And I just tweeted my new whip at you. It's sending right now. You'll enjoy my new car.
Let's go.
Bro, I think it's time, guys.
All right, this is it. This is the big play. Either we're about to bounce straight back, or we're about to come down pretty hard here. It's one of those two. What do you think, Monza? Do you think we're gonna have a slow grind back up, or?
Yeah, it's time right here. This is
all the way up to 17. Then we're just going right back down, right? Can't wait to come back to this stream tomorrow. I cannot wait to post a soundbite on this podcast. And you're gonna draw some lines? That's good, Monza. There we go. I told you, bro. You can draw lines on meme coins. I do believe in psychological levels and financial levels that people buy in. I do believe in that. So,
can we buy this on Near Intense? Can we buy this on Near Intense?
Let's see here. Should we just start drawing some fibs? Just get real nerdy on this chart. Just start drawing random lines and like this is my favorite, bro. When traders do this, and they'll just like pick random points, and they'll be like, "Oh yeah, dude, yep, like we're going up." Like they'll just do random lines like this. I swear, this is like half the streamers I see online. They'll be like, "Dude, look at this, bro. Like every single time it like kind of went up or down. It's just this is the line you got to pay attention to." You're just like, "What are you talking about?" No, it is interesting. This is definitely. Oh, why is my computer lagging? This is definitely a position they could pay attention to. This is probably your next zone. just for people like this is how I think about the memes. Like it's not like I'm marking up the charts and like there's a little bit of like it's mainly just psychology you're trading here. It's like psychological levels of people when they're buying in. Like a lot of people bought right here, right? Because this is when we pumped up here. So like this is an area that I'm paying attention to. So like if we correct, this is an area where people will either if we're bullish, they'll buy the positions back in or not. But like this is like kind of what I think about. So I go pretty easy when I'm marking up meme coins, but I do believe that you can trade them pretty well if you're able to know just a smidge about the TA. But oh boy, you think a 50% pullback and then a bounce? That could happen. If we drop to 7 billion, I'd consider entering again. But I don't know about 12, 13, 14, 15 billion. That's a big risk for me. Sus, did you get in? Are you buying in?
I hope not.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, here we go. Coming down.
Zeus, you bought?
You did buy in? What did you get in at?
I didn't buy it.
Oh, you didn't?
Don't.
No, he doesn't believe you. He thinks you bought in.
I'm considering to
here's the
prepare.
thing. I'm saying the rest of the market is dumping. I mean, everybody was dumping to buy this. Like,
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
That's pretty obvious. Sorry, I'm catching up on
That's
the
okay.
comment
It's true.
section.
It's true. I mean, I would be more
After I
bullish
wiped my
on
tears away from crying in the car before the stream. Shout out Salvador Loyaza Deza.
Hey, Josh is in the house. Try to ask me. No, I
Just
know.
bought the top. I have not bought yet.
No, Josh, I do believe you. No,
It
Trendline's
is a
garbage.
rug
I'm just
scheme.
talking about. I'm
Yeah.
talking about the TikTok. I'm talking about the TikTok TA people who just draw stuff and claim things after they got an allocation in the chart kind of thing, and they're just pumping it up. But,
Seriously, no one is seeing the token going above 25 billion market cap.
Gee, I wonder why.
this is a pretty big correction here. That's the biggest correction.
Couldn't
we've seen.
imagine. God,
This is-
couldn't
this is-
imagine a more trustworthy project.
That's what I'm saying, dude. Why wouldn't you be buying into
Uh-oh. That's a big pump right here. Someone just bought a
You think it's
lot.
gonna Zeus, I said it's time, Zeus.
Let's see. Hold on. 30K buys, 35K
Woo.
buys. Interesting. Okay. I think we crashed again. Oh no. Why does it say 11? Hold on. I gotta refresh the screen. Hold on.
Mine says
Has anybody
11.
checked Truth Social? Like, what are the Truth Social people saying?
Uh-oh.
They all made
Salvador
notes.
says the website's super scammy. Interesting.
Wow,
no shit.
shocking development. I
Rebecca
can't imagine. I can't imagine.
Dude, why is this chart so laggy right now? Wow, this thing recovered 50%.
Dude, it's
Man,
just
we're going to
moving
25 million for sure. 25 billion in 5 minutes.
Exactly.
Yeah, this is gonna happen for sure, bro.
Never even posted on Truth Social. Sad.
Oh.
As they would
Could
say,
you-
sad.
Could you imagine if this comes out and it's like this was not it? This thing would fall like a rock.
You're ruling that out?
This chart would dump like an actual rock.
No.
Could you imagine he comes out and he say, guys, I got hacked?
That'd be awesome.
Or just I'm not affiliated with it, right? I mean, where is the confirmation? Is there any confirmation anywhere
He
to be
tweeted
found?
about it.
Okay, all right. I didn't know. That's why I'm asking.
Trump will delete in 6 hours. I can see that. It's definitely possible.
It
What
wasn't me.
about Elon?
I was sleeping.
Elon. Did he say anything?
Yeah, let me have a look.
No,
actually.
everyone tagged him on it if he was hacked or not, and Elon didn't say anything.
Mm.
Yeah, I wonder why. Elon's
What is
not
happening?
talking for once. Oh, dude, Elon hasn't tweeted in a couple hours.
Oh no, that's weird.
Probably
Elon
buying the
clipping
dip.
fullbacks.
Yo, that's a hammer candle, man. That's
Yo,
gonna close a hammer.
I like the chat tonight. The chat is lit. I'll say that.
This is closing a hammer candle, Kate. This is full sending, man.
Exactly. Lost
could.
the M
It definitely could.
after I said that.
Wow, look at that.
After I said Des dropped it, he dipped.
See.
Yeah, go to that. Have you been to that website on gettrumpmemes.com?
Oh my god. He put in 200 grand. Dude, Sage is a monster. Wow.
Dude, this
Okay,
guy
I sold.
I'm not gonna say anything. I'm not gonna say anything.
I sold. I
Here's the
sold.
allocation. Here's the allocation.
No.
You
Go
sold?
back. What's the website?
The website. Oh.
Hey, hold
The one
on,
that Donald. No, the one that Donald posted. Yeah.
All right, here we go. By the way, if you're in the stream, please retweet it. Please retweet the stream. We're not going to go for that long, and that was at least the plan. But here we are, 2:30 in the morning for me, and we are. Doesn't look like we're slowing down. So, anyways, here's the site. Interesting. He's looking quite slender here, Mr. Donald Trump.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, I mean, look, this. You may look scammy to you, but this looks just like the NFT card like website he made like a year ago. This looks exactly like his normal
So
stuff.
scammy.
Yeah, I mean, it just looks very like I don't know. It just looks exactly what I would expect it to look like. Oh my gosh! Do y'all see this? What the hell? This is definitely not going to cross Dogecoin, Seuss. Are you kidding me? This thing's inflationary. This thing is so inflationary.
No, but who said this was crossing Doge? Like, please tell
That's
me.
what I'm saying, bro. I roasted both of those dudes because they said this is going to flip Dogecoin. I was like, no, it is absolutely not. It's not even going to come close to that, dude. But this thing is it's going to have 1 billion tokens. It's at 200.
Do you hear all these
available right now.
alarms happening in my phone? That's all my bag literally getting wrecked. Literally alarming that I'm getting wrecked. Literally. I'm down over 70% in all my bags. I wish I sold actually. By the time I could have survived that big dump.
This is not your way back. Dude. I promise you, this is not your way back. There will be other
God
ways
damn
to
it.
get
I'm
back into
so
the
pissed,
platform.
man. I'm so pissed.
So glad you
Damn,
did.
I'm
Like when you're at
so
the
down.
casino, you're down. Just pull up to the ATM, bust out another 1,000, go throw it all on black. Like, buy the coin. Just make it all back on the next one.
I wish I sold a while ago. Fuck.
This is very important, by the way. For anyone who's buying, what this means is they're going to be adding more to the supply. This is the exact problem of the United States dollar. It's inflationary and it's losing value. All it's
That's
saying here is, by the way, if you don't get in day one,
That is the meme. That's the meme. That's the whole
Yeah.
meme.
I hope people are
He's
listening.
gonna
Gotcha.
come into office and he's gonna be like, look, I fucking told, look, the coin's fucking stupid, the US dollar's fucking stupid. Bitcoin's the way.
Mons is definitely, and he has ultra DJ kind of vibe. That's
Yeah,
hilarious.
hey, maybe this is more reason to be bullish on Bitcoin. It's like
Yeah, absolutely. He's trying to teach us a
yeah.
lesson for inauguration.
Mhm.
In fact, he's like, see, this is
We just cracked the code, guys.
trying
yeah.
to
For
teach
anyone
us a
who's
lesson.
listening, just be very, very careful trading this. It's not saying it's not going to be like a fun coin to trade and volatile. But look at this. You ready? This is a little bit scary. The fact that we're not ultra giga sending and it's having some sell-off pressure already at 14 million or 14 billion. If it's not up only to 25 billion after the first hour or two, I feel like the chances are very slim. I think we closed the stream well below 17 billion, which is what I predicted for the next day. But I'll say before the stream, I think we don't.
We're already
touch
4
17 billion.
hours deep.
We're 4 hours deep. I know. Like, I don't know, dude. I just don't think this has legs. I don't think it has the same legs here, sitting at 13 billion. I just don't think the buy pressure. I don't think is strong enough to send this to another 2x from here. I could be so wrong, but dude, I don't know, man. I don't know. I feel like more sellers are going to enter the market around 20 billion than more buyers. That's just my thoughts. It says short at Seuss. That could be the move. I'll say that. If there's anything you could do to make your bag back, it would maybe be to actually place a short on like 100x.
This coin, yeah, I like what Salvador is saying. This coin is gonna wipe a lot of degens and shit coins off the market. Good old cleansing process. Yeah, a good old draining of the swamp, they might say. Stop the steal.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and I do think that people will take this money and rotate it to other stuff. or we're going to crash in the next 2 days and the market's going to get wrecked. It's going to be one
Or
of those.
is this a top signal?
Oh shoot, Emp's going to be shorting it Monday to the ground. Emp, I would probably short it
Yeah.
earlier. I know you trade a lot
don't
of
like
these
that.
things. You've got a lot of experience, but with meme coins, they move and drop really fast. Momentum and hype dies very quickly. 48 hours is kind of like a trajectory. It's kind of like on Monday, dude. I'm not sure. I have no idea. I mean, we have inauguration, so it's possible this thing gets back in the news, but I'm not sure, man. That's a long time till Monday. Crypto land, that's like 2 years for us. You know, there's a lot of things that can happen between now and Monday. Inauguration, so there's maybe. I don't know. I don't know. I mean,
What about
my
have we heard
experience-
any updates on this from Don Jr. or
good
any
call.
of any of the henchmen?
Let's see. Yeah, Emp, I don't know about.
Would
selling the
love
news
to hear from
inauguration
them.
because there's nothing that is there's nothing that's like up in the air about the inauguration. Like he's gonna be president, so I'm not sure what news we'd be selling. It's possible we just have a dump from pure euphoria, but I'm not sure if I see a sell the news. I just don't know what the news would be. I mean, he's gonna be president, so that's just my thoughts. Okay, look at this. So, nothing here at all from Trump or Trump Jr. This is interesting, guys. I don't know about this.
Bearish.
Nobody
bearish.
has said anything. This is weird.
What about Eric?
I think this is going to fall like a rock. I think this possible. This is not real, but
Eric?
you know. It's
You think it
very
went to
weird.
14 billion without it being real,
very
though?
strange that he wouldn't have put it on True Social first. That's weird to me.
Yeah,
Why would he
see,
let Twitter?
no, I agree with what Salvador was saying. Trump Jr. is behind all this shit. So, like, why
dude,
is there
it's
no
barren.
post
It's
from it?
barren. It's got to
No.
be barren.
It's not Barron. Barron's no.
No, I don't think he's going to mention it.
Not
I really
Barron.
don't. I think he can mention something on Bitcoin or a crypto reserve. I don't think there's a chance in hell that he mentions this meme coin on inauguration day. If he does, then maybe this meme has legs to flip Doge. If he brings up a meme in his inauguration speech, I will
not flipping
rest my
Doge.
case. I will say, you know what, it's possible.
It's not.
Some obscure shitcoins on ETH. Yeah. I mean, I really don't think it's got. I don't think it's got that kind of strength. But let's go back to the chart. Let's see where we're at. Okay.
What
we're
did
fine.
Eric didn't say anything? I'll do some research. I'm gonna get
I don't know. Let me see. I don't know how many.
I don't know
pixels
about
got.
you guys, but this is look very strong.
What does?
The recovery from 11 billion all the way back
Oh
to
my God.
14.5.
Jeez.
I really think he's gonna run to 20 billion.
Sharp don't lie, Zach.
Oh no,
Yes.
dude! There's not a single person in his family has mentioned it. I don't like the look of this at all.
Yeah.
I think the hopium the hopium is priced in a little bit, a lot of it.
Have we gone to TikTok? Have we looked into the
Get it. Check it while you can. You got 24 hours, right?
Yeah, literally. Retweet the stream. Retweet the stream
Mr.
wherever
Beast.
you are. Retweet it.
Hey man, I'm not complaining. I made 9 ETH out of it, so it is what
9
it
ETH?
is. Yeah. 9 sol, I mean, sorry. I
Oh,
need to
nice.
sleep,
Oh,
bro.
very nice.
On what?
Yeah, bro, you wanna-
You made
On
9
Trump.
ETH.
Because I'm buying ETH. I literally sold the Trump and I put it in Binance and I'm buying ETH now and I'm gonna go and DCA my other token.
Seriously, sound like you're in the casino and you're like, bro, I'm gonna make it back. Just one more game. Just one more game. Just one more game.
Hey.
Listen,
That's
I'll say this.
listen,
The good thing is I never
go.
created a TikTok. I never had the app, never made a TikTok, never have used it at any point. I
That's,
feel like
good.
this is what it feels like whenever you don't change your clocks for daylight savings time and then you wait all the way and then it's time to change your clocks back and you're like, I'm already there. Already did it. Already taken care of. Never needed to do anything. I was right all along. So that's where we're at with TikTok.
At least we'll be able to use Emp's TikTok. I'm going to visit him in Mexico at some point. And I'll be able to scroll for a little bit on TikTok. But Amp, if you could actually, if you don't mind plugging or just like lightly shilling to Sam about this Instagram accounts. Just, you don't have to say anything else. You don't have to know anything else. Just be like, yo, Kate said something about Instagram accounts. If you could, Amp, just bump Sam about that. He'll know what I'm talking about. It'd be doing me a real solid. I'll even I'll cover appetizers on at dinner if you do that for me. It'd be great. He did. Yeah, Amp's gonna buy me dinner because we hit 10 billion. He said that's at like 6 or 7 billion. He texted me. He says, if this runs to 10, like I'm gonna buy dinner. And like we were not thinking it was. This thing flew past 10 billion like 30 minutes later. And he actually, respect to him, he put out a public tweet about it. And he even said, let me see if I can find it. Respect to, look, there's more than one Cade. Who are all those other Cades? All right, hold on. Can y'all see the screen? Here we go. Look at this. Look at this guy. Amp. What a beast. 1 hour ago, thinking there was no shot. And 1 hour later, he's like, well, I love it. I love it. All right. We're going back. So, Seuss, what are we thinking here, bro? We're seeing a lot of sell pressure here at this top. I don't know.
I didn't know. To be honest, if you guys didn't talk me out of it, I was about to sell like 5 ETH and just throw it in there. Honestly. But you guys took me out of it.
That's good because this did not even break the. I mean, it's possible this comes back and retests again.
But what I ended up doing, selling my bag, which I made 9 sol from it, and I'm just gonna put it back and buy more of my token, my long.
No,
I'm betting big on Hinlo, to be honest. On base, I put a lot into.
Here's the thing that I'll ask. Like, let's just assume that everything here is on the up and up. Everything here is run by the Trump family, you know, everything, right? What is the upside here to doing something like this?
Well, I mean, Zach, this is a meme, dude.
It's a dick move.
It's quite literally a meme coin. It's a meme coin. So
No. I understand. I'm asking just hypothetically, right? So, like, what would be the upside to doing something like this?
Oh, just pure attention. Pure attention.
Right. So I asked this as somebody because, like, look, we've asked in like non-serious conversations, right? We've talked about, oh, what if we did a 10 baht coin? What if we did this? What if we did that? Right. And it's like, oh, well, I don't know. It's a little too risky. So that's why I'm asking. So, like, we have far less at risk. You know, what 10 baht coin, like, who cares? So, like, what would be the upside to the president of the United States doing something like this?
Memes, dude. I think the play is that he thinks memes will be the thing for the next 5-6 years, and he'd rather be on top of that than behind. I think that's really as far as the play goes because there's nothing left besides that. It's not like he's come through and pulled through on his other projects, dude. He dropped like an NFT project, a second NFT project, a third NFT project, a coin. Like, he's dropped like 9 things now, and none of them have done anything other than just like access to a ball or a party or some signed stuff or whatever it is. And it's great, but it's just him raising money. I think these are just different ways to support Trump, and I really think that's what this is about. It's like, how much can he really just build up this cult? And that's pretty much what he's done his whole life. You know, that's pretty much literally what he did his whole life.
Yeah.
You could use that word. You can maybe use that word, actually. So if Trump was in front of me, I maybe wouldn't use that word. I'd be too scared.
You know,
like,
well, I don't know. You know how I am. I will play devil's advocate till the cows come home.
Fair. Seuss, what are you thinking, bro? You still feeling bullish with these couple of rejections? Is just a little pause here? It's saying gaslighting right now. Oh,
dude,
man.
do you know what's the time in my place now in my country?
What time is it, bro?
2:40 p.m.
Dude, go to sleep.
I woke up yesterday, 4 hours sleep, and I woke up like 1 p.m. and I have been awake more than 30 hours now.
Wow. Go to sleep.
Thank you for
And
your
all
service.
of this, not only me, Delir have been awake for like almost 40 hours coding.
Jeez.
And we have been awake for so long trying to get the renting to work. you know, and we have tested it in different YouTube. I have tested it in private YouTube. Everything was going flawlessly. But when we hit live, something was wrong. And we just figure out after like a day of work that the Nico YouTube channel generate different link, something like this, that drugged the Ren on-chain buy from comments to stuff like that. So we've to be honest, we have all worked so hard to pull it off, and but yeah.
Hey, respect.
try
Look at
again.
that. There's trenches and there's Seuss. Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Seuss is in the trenches. He's putting in
Thank
work.
you for your service.
Respect. Let's get it. That's awesome, dude.
So I didn't want to rug you, to be honest, guys. I do love to go, not only for you, but I love to go live with you guys, you know. So
Yeah,
I said to
definitely, bro.
myself, I might not bring the vibe I have all the time because I'm pretty tired, but Zach was like, yeah, that's what we want. Come. And Zach ended up coming 1 hour late. So
1
as
hour
always,
late.
today he posted a token up 500%. Zach, what's going on? I'm up.
What?
Okay.
Wait,
Buy
what?
Seuss, buy Seuss. Seuss fucking
What
buy. 30%
Zach?
down. Zach is out.
Zach, what are you talking about, bro?
Literally
Hold on.
exit liquidity.
Yo,
You're not
somebody
gonna find
follow
it in
Zach
there.
right now. Somebody
No,
follow
you're
Zach
not
right
gonna
now. We gotta fix this. We gotta fix
Yeah,
this.
that
This
is
not good.
serious. Yeah, that
Somebody
is
fix
a-
this right now. If you're
That's
a
a
Christian,
critical
fix this
issue.
right now.
Guys,
If you're religious,
whoever
you'll fix
thinks
this.
wait. Whoever think I'm shit talking Zach every time about I am his exit liquidity, you guys don't understand. I mean it. I can pull up the share screen now. He's up
Where's this?
500%. I
Where? I
buy
don't see
in the
anything.
No,
10BahtDao.
no. Yes, you did. Kid, it was in our group. It was
Oh,
earlier
I was looking
today.
on your Twitter. I was looking on your Twitter. I
Yeah,
thought that's
it
what
was.
I will
We're
tag you
talking
guys. I
about
will
small
tag you to it,
gains.
bro.
Small gains. Small gains. It was. Yeah.
Yeah,
And
I'm not
meme
sure
dot
about this,
cooking.
bro. What do y'all think about this chart? Emp, what do you think about this chart, brother? Do some TA for me, bro. What are you thinking, bro? Double top, but
Welcome. First of all, welcome, Emp. I don't know if this is your first time visiting into the 10BahtDao.
Yeah, I hope not. but
Yeah, no.
this is pretty normal.
What a pleasure. What a pleasure to have him here.
Boom, boom. So that's pretty much the only thing I see here that's giving me no, bro. Yeah, I don't like this at all, actually. Let's see what Emp says. Lower high. Yeah, dude, I'm not loving it either. Yeah, follow this man though. Follow Zach Herm. If I don't refresh this page and if he has 666 still, he's cooked. I'm kicking him off the stream. It's over.
Look,
man.
look.
That's
Here we go. You ready? Here we go. He's
It's a
kicked off the
tough
stream
look.
in 5,
that's a tough.
4,
That's a tough look.
3.
Okay, thank God.
Cade, check the tag I tag you on Telegram.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, I'm super high energy.
He
right
goes
now
in, Zach.
because-
Listen to the story. He goes in, he posts a contract address, okay, and he says nothing.
Oh, what
Okay.
is this?
He asked me to
Zach.
buy. I said, I'm sick, okay? I'm sick. I woke up. I see Zach up 500%. I'm asking, what's going on, Zach? You know?
Hold on,
He's
hold on.
like, not saying anything. I buy in. Okay, I'm
Yo!
down suddenly 30%.
What is this?
Okay. Yeah. Show it.
No,
I
I don't know.
show my portfolio after I buy. After he showed it to me, show my loss.
Zach,
After he
explain
showed,
What is
show
this?
mine. Show my
What
card.
is
Show my
this?
card.
Wait, hold on.
Show
hold
my
on.
card.
Your
But
card?
don't
Your
scroll
what?
in through the chat. I don't know if we roasted someone while we are.
Oh, no!
As soon as he asked me to buy, I'm down 21%. He cheated on me. He let me buy and he fucking cheated.
Not like this.
This
bro.
guy, man, he always does that. And no one believes me.
Oh.
No one believes me that I'm his
Oh.
exit liquidity.
That hurts. Hey, we got the follow from Emp. Zach, you got the follow from Emp. Let's go. That's huge.
Let's
Oh,
go.
damn it.
Let's go.
He
Finally.
saved you.
Finally.
He literally saved you.
Many
you're
many
like-
Dallas Cowboys after several Dallas Cowboys debates later, we finally earned you know.
All right,
God
all right,
damn
all
it.
right. Dude, I'm gonna have to get Emp on. If I haven't convinced Emp to come on the stream and do some
Yeah,
trading
seriously.
with me, then I don't know what else I could possibly do to convince this guy. But I know in real life when he's here,
We could
we'll
talk
probably do
we could
some
talk
stuff,
James
but-
Rodriguez, like we could talk
There you
Dallas
go.
Cowboys, like we could go a
Talk a lot of
variety
things.
of different ways here.
I'm not gonna lie, I do
We
do
could
want
talk
to learn
Colombian
how to do
soccer.
futures, but I'm really interested in learning. Like, I guess I had an epiphany where Charles had kept taking leverage plays, and I was like, leverage is not what people think. Why am I not doing this? Like, leverage is such an easy play if you're already going to be trading. It's like saying, let me buy a whole house and hold the whole position and buy it all in cash versus, yeah, let me take a 1, 2, 3, 5%, but have all my cash here and open a 10x, 100x leverage play and be in a $50,000 trade with only $100 or $500 of liquid in the actual trade. That makes so much more sense to me. And I'm like, man, I really need to get back onto the charts. And then he mentioned that futures is popping, and I was like, okay, this is it. This year is the year of Cade actually committing to trading. I almost did a couple years ago, and I half did it. I did it for about a year, but did not do enough practice and marking up charts. But I think I have a pretty good eye for them still. At least in the meme trenches, it's done me very well. I don't know about this dude. We're about an hour in. This is moving pretty slow now. Like I said, I think 17 billion is the top for this thing. I don't see it going much higher than that, at least in the short term. I think 17 billion is a pretty strong price point. I think this corrects back down to probably closer to 8, 9, and people buy in back around here. I can see people buying in around this range in this area, and I can see
When
us
are they
going back
planning
up into inauguration.
to mint more?
That's the thing. It says over the next 3 years, I think. So I don't know if they have exact dates. Let me see if I can find it.
I thought it said every day.
No.
Dude, I thought it said every day.
No, did it really?
I don't know.
Hold on.
I hope so. I hope that's what it said.
I don't know about this, guys. This is not bullish. I'm very glad we talked Seuss out of this trade. He was about to send his entire bag just to lose 30%. All right, let's see what we got here. Allocation. Okay, so yeah, 3 years. So release oh crap on their own schedule. That's even worse. That's quite possibly the worst answer we could have found. I could not have gotten worse than that.
Whatever the fuck
On our
we
own
want.
schedule. That's great. Okay, let's see what we got here. So hold on.
United States of Drift.
Oh, see, Trump. This is exactly what I meant. 36%, 18%, 18%. Like, these are huge allocations and distributions for people and groups to market it and stuff. There are people being paid to do this. Circulating supply, 200 million. We're about to have a
It's
max
cliff
of $1 billion
vested
over the
though,
next
isn't
3
it? Cliff
years.
vested.
Yeah, and that's not good. It's bad for the price. People are going to be selling every
But
single
still,
time
it's
they get an
cliff
allocation. Of
vested,
it.
man. It's not gonna be unlocked all at once.
How do you
It
know?
doesn't matter. It does not matter. Oh, here we go.
Unlock at TGE.
Free period,
Locked
so
up
every
there.
3
3 months. The first 36% for 3 months only. That's pretty bad.
Okay.
And it's unlocked frequent daily. So it's linear vested.
So,
oh!
Once per quarter.
Trump! Look at Trump!
What happened?
Huh? Never mind.
Seuss.
Dude, I swear to God,
the heck was that?
I'm not tripping.
What was that?
I'm not tripping. Listen, I'm not tripping. I know I didn't sleep for 35 hours, but I swear to God, my desk screener showed that it went down to 2.5 billion. I swear,
What?
I saw the red line like this, man. I'm not tripping,
Wait.
but it didn't.
Okay,
It was a
We
glitch.
can look at this. No, it could have been. Hold on.
It was a glitch, I think. It was a glitch.
Yeah, I don't see any wicks.
Go to bed before you get liquidated. Bro, I wanted to go to bed. Zach didn't let me go to bed. And I'm pretty
What
sick.
did I have to do with any of this?
I swear to God, I saw it going down to 2.5, man.
Yeah.
I swear, I'm not tripping. There is
Yeah,
no
Gulf
way
of
I was
Mexico.
tripping, man.
Gulf of Mexico. Yeah, it's about time. It's about time we take that back. It's been ours the whole time. About damn time, right?
It's so funny, dude. God, I don't know what to think about this token, bro. This thing could just keep sending. It's very possible. This just keeps grinding up. I just like. I don't know. The idea of getting in just does not appeal to me. I'd much rather short this than long it at this point, but I'm not really going to enter this trade right
You know
now.
who's
It's too
probably
risky.
not. You know who's probably not buying into this is Mark Cuban. Probably not.
Mark Cuban will come out and he'll. I feel like he'll switch sides soon. He's too realistic
Yeah,
and
check his Twitter.
level-headed to not be a nerd. This guy's.
So you guys didn't think it's
questionable.
running to 20 billion?
He's still pro-America. I mean, he was always pro-America.
I get his position. I just think that in a little while he'll just be like, eh. I'll see what he says here. Anything?
Dude, Ryan, man. Ryan, man, I swear to God. Dude, I swear I saw it going down to 2.5. There was a big red
this?
line,
Yeah.
man. There's no way I was
What are
tripping.
Rhymes profits on Trump coin? That's the thing. He
Oh.
wants to conceal his profits here, but
Oh. There was.
trying to Shark Tank TikTok. Interesting.
Okay, guys, I'll have to be back. I'll be back.
Mr. Wonderful.
All right, guys. This looks like it might be over here. This rally might be over. I don't know about this.
Hey,
Throughout the
just
night,
because there's
too.
nobody there. Hey, if there's one thing we've learned, just because there's nobody there does not mean a Trump rally is over.
Exactly.
I don't know, dude. I think we might be close to the absolute top on this one. I understand FOMO. I understand like hype and stuff. I've been here and seen all the things, but I don't know, dude. I've seen too many charts happen like this for me to. This does not look good. I think this is going to crash pretty bad. If there's even a whiff that this isn't real, this is going to drop, and it's going to be so bloody. I mean, this thing will
There's
drop.
not even
Monzo.
a whiff that
so
it
fast.
is real.
I know. I'm just saying there's a higher chance that this comes out and something weird and people get spooked. I'm saying the chance of that happening overnight, as people go to sleep, is much higher because people don't want to go to sleep with this trade open, bro. I would never go to sleep if I was in this trade. I would just sit here and just watch it all night.
So you're saying you don't trust the president-elect with a project that he's endorsing?
I trust him to close a few big time foreign big time things, but I don't trust him to.
Yeah, when are we
pump
getting
my
Greenland?
Bitcoins.
I thought, what's going on? Are we getting Greenland?
on.
Are we getting Canada? Like, what's the
Come
deal
on.
here? Like, why are we
Exactly.
fucking around with memes? I thought we were supposed to be acquiring land.
That's what this is. Check my Twitter. I said we're going.
Oh yeah,
to
maybe
use
that
this.
is. Yeah, they're all right. So
use
look,
this to buy Greenland.
yeah, perfect. Or
Yeah,
Canada,
perfect.
or
Yeah,
both.
Where the money's coming from? We got 13 billion right here. Here you
Yeah,
go.
someone's gonna wake up and FOMO in the morning. I don't know. I don't think so.
Look, if you're buying into this, you're basically helping chip away at the national debt. So thank you. Thank you for your
Here's what I'll
service.
say. On Solana meme coins, I've noticed this. There's a big pump day 1. It cools off day 2. It cools off day 3. And it cools off for a part of day 4. And for some reason, I don't know what it is, but Solana meme coins, in my experience, on day 4, run. Like dwarf the first run. I can't explain it. I don't know why, but it's happened so many times to me that I usually just bet on the 4th day. So basically, after inauguration, we will either top and we are going straight down, or we are going to send. And so, we'll see what happens. So, Monster called it the Greenland thing. That's
Perfect. And yeah, I didn't even realize that. But yeah, we're on the same page, Monza.
Serving
exactly.
logic on a silver platter. So funny. Man, dude, I have not seen the timeline this electric in a while. That felt good. Man, what a crazy last day or so, bro. What a crazy last day. Watching this run was insane. This part was so crazy. I mean, we were like all nervous. We were all thinking, hold on, this might actually. Monday. Oh, wait, you know what? Friday. Yeah, technically Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Oh, shoot, you're right. I thought it was Tuesday. Damn. Yeah, probably if you short this, you'll do well. I think if you short this, you're probably looking at an exit around 8 million. You probably could do well. I don't know if this is listed anywhere where you could. I'm not sure how you would short it, but if you could,
You heard it here
don't think it'd
first.
be a bad play.
Cade says short the Trump administration.
Short this token from 12 to 8. I think, yeah, but not the administration. I'm bullish on the administration. But the coin, I think this could come right back down to here. I think this could come right around this area. So shorting it from
Someone-
Oh,
here.
it could go
is-
much lower than that. Come
Yeah,
on.
that would be the
It could
play.
go
I-
much
drop
lower than
the-
that.
Oh yeah, it definitely could. I just think if we're feeling bullish, this is the re-entrance point that people will take. So this would be my first, my main. This would be like my big exit would probably be right here, and maybe I'd hold some more for a potential drop to here in this range. But I would probably sell a large portion of that short around that time. I guess you could. Does that can that work with this token even? Can I actually short that on MEXC? I'm trying to think. Like, was Charles leverage trading Trump? I feel like he wasn't, but oh, you know what? He was. Okay, that's interesting. Maybe I will short this token actually. God, I just don't like buying into trades overnight, dude.
Mhm.
Man. But it's because everything crashes, so maybe I should short that because of that. That's so tough, dude. Shorting the president is a. It sounds so good until you have to do it.
The
And then you're like, wait,
president-elect.
president-elect
Are you?
to short his token
you-
feels like
Yeah. Do you want to short 45 or 47? I guess that's really what it comes down to.
Jeez, this is hard, bro. Some stuff. Yeah, and we're gonna have to. I'm gonna have to. Yeah, I just need some more. EXP points doing these leverage trades and stuff. I just have never really done it before.
Beginner's luck. Might as well go big on your first.
There's one way to get them. Yeah. This is how you earn them. You get in there. You learn how
here
to
we go.
swim.
Did we call this
jump
short
in the-
exactly right?
Yeah.
This is not
You
looking
jump in
good.
the water. That's how you learn how to swim.
Yeah, you're right. Damn. I'm gonna look at next year real quick. I'm just gonna take a look. I've never looked at the perp side. I mainly was trading spot, but I realized it's kind of silly. What happened? Oh god, what did Rhyme say?
Cade, you should
man.
bump up to the third slot up there. Put Zeus down into the caption.
Oh yeah, I forgot
corner.
he's gonna be
Yeah.
gone for a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm all right. Emp, I'm on MEXC right now. I gotta get over to the perps area. I've never even ventured into the perps. I don't even know where that is. Unless
I just saw
I just
someone
buy.
tweet
I
that-
just have. What's up?
Sorry, I was just saying this guy
Go ahead.
tweeted that he shorted on Hyperliquid. I don't know what that is.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
It just popped up on my timeline.
Can't believe, dude. I was not expecting this. Okay, here we go. Oh, beautiful. Very nice. Okay, can I do it on my computer? Do I have to do it on the phone? I've never used MEXC on my phone before. I've used it on the computer a bunch of times, but I feel like I should be able to just do it on the computer too.
It's going down.
Dude, I should have done it 5 minutes ago. I knew I should have. I was gonna pull it up before because I was thinking about entering before the stream, but I thought about longing it earlier. That's why I was looking at it. Ended up just not. I didn't have time. I took a shower, then was already late, and then I was just trying to keep up with the chart. I was trying to get in, but anyways, let's see if I can get this going on the computer. I'd be willing to open a short overnight. I'm pretty confident this will come back down to 7 or 8 million. Let's see what we got here. Oh shoot, dude, it's crashing so fast. I'm not gonna have time to get in. I don't even know if there's liquid in this account. Pretty sure I'm allocated fully in this one. I have to sell something. So I don't wanna. What do you think, Zach? You think it's a good idea to short this baby?
I mean, what are we saying? Are we shorting America? Are we shorting the president-elect? Are we shorting the incoming administration? Like, what is being shorted here specifically?
Just this token for the next few hours. I'm just gonna. It keeps dropping, bro. I'm not gonna get in this trade. I need this. I need to get logged in. It's not letting me log in. Come on, don't do this to me, bro. Don't tell me I'm gonna call this short on live and not be able to actually enter it. Come on, send it. I need to get this code. It would be nice though if I can lock this short in on leverage. Can I do that as well, Emp? Am I able to short this on leverage? I'm pretty sure I can. because you said it's on MXC Perps. So it should be available. Here we go. I'm in.
Thanks for
dude, I
putting-
missed the short. I missed the short. God damn it, dude.
Where you could have short it?
I was talking about shorting above the blue line, the second blue line in this area.
Where
It's
you
right-
can
right-
short it? Where you can leverage trade it? Is it
MXC.
listed
That's-
on exchange yet?
I've been trying to get MXC since this first red. Dude, I'm so annoyed right now.
I didn't I didn't know it's listed on MXC. Is it already
I'm
listed on
so-
MXC?
Pissed right now, bro. That was so painfully obvious too, dude. Good grief. Okay, well,
Do you
at
want to
least
log
it's
into
been
my
pain
MXC
points.
account?
No, I already missed it. I missed the
I
main
don't.
short.
I barely use it. You can like short on it and then get your fund out, and that's it.
No, it's okay. It was just the site was loading because I'm on stream. I have a bunch of tabs open, and I just couldn't get logged in. But the short,
Just waking up just in time to get licked.
the short was quite literally from here, and I was planning on getting out around here, and we are already halfway down that.
From where? From where?
So frustrating. From
where?
right around here. Right when I
Can you go?
when I realized
Can you see the? Can you go to the tools on the left and you see the brush? You see the brush down. The brush. Yeah, above it. Above it. No, don't click on the brush. Above the brush. Yeah, and do short position. Yeah, and see how much in profit was that. No. Look at the one, the green line down. Forget the red one up. How much in profit is your
this would
short?
have been my main. This would have been my main
25%
target around this
profit.
round.
That would have been really good short for 25%, man. That's a really good short for like 5 minutes trade. That's pretty
No,
good.
and I know, dude. I don't know why I wasn't thinking about it. I didn't even think about leverage.
Oh,
trading,
bounce
to be
back.
honest. Dude, I'm so annoyed right
Well,
now.
thanks for
Believe it.
talking some sense to me, guys. I was literally about to sell half of my entire bag in crypto and go.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're very, very welcome.
I was about to buy it.
That was a
Yeah.
very bad idea.
Zeus.
Yeah, he was about like Zach. I don't know if you were here during that part. He was
No,
very,
no, dear God,
very
no.
much trying to sell his. He was trying to literally get his whole bag and take half of it and put it in at $13 billion. And I was like, "You are crazy."
12. It was 12. It was 12.5.
Well, you still be down
Zeus,
right
I
now.
thought you were trolling, so I was egging him on just for.
And this is the man that blames me for all of his misfortunes. Like,
Oh no. Maybe you're right, Ryan.
Zach, there's a proof in the stream. There is a proof in the stream, literally. It's fine, man. Fair play. I'm your exit liquidity. Fair play. One day you're gonna be mine. Easy as
this man
that.
tries to blame me for his poor Raccoon X tradings. But
Oh no.
is ready to just
You know,
cheat his
that was fun.
entire.
To
That
be
was-
fair,
yeah.
because Near have very limited liquidity, we are all each other exit liquidity. Literally, if you are looking at the transaction, everyone is cheating on everyone because
It's just like
there is
it's
only
just like
like
homeless people like stealing from other homeless people. It's just
Yeah,
like
yeah.
poor people like I'm just stealing like some random item out of your shopping cart on the street.
dude,
For-
it's
for-
like the entire profit or funds of the trades is rotating among like the same group who's trading on Near for like a freaking year. So we all like profit from each other and lose from each other in a way because I guess the people who trade on Near understand what we are talking about. This is who we are trading against.
We kind of had to stop trading live because that was literally happening. People were opposite trading us, or what do you call that? Like,
I got wrecked live a lot.
yeah, like it was like a problem. Like people were literally shorting anything we longed, and like we weren't able to do it. Like it was not enough liquidity to play around.
Except
with it.
for
We
the
had to
one.
stop.
Except for
Huh?
the one.
That one token, man. There is
People
nothing
forget
will
the
come like
one.
the one. Nothing will come like the one.
I don't know what that was. I don't know what that was. But I don't even think. Did we even make profit on that one? Did we take profits in that one, or did we hold that one all the way down?
I think I made $5.
Some did.
Hmm.
Some did. Some did not.
I cheated it, and everyone decided to send it. Wow,
Dude.
dude,
so bad.
that token picked up from 2000 market. all the way to 25,000, even more. I don't know. I'm sorry, guys. I'm still sick. Actually, I've been sick for
Jeff
a
says,
couple
are
of
they
days.
buying the other ones? We are probably going to see a pretty fat pump into some of these other coins, though, and into the other meme. Basically, everything that just got
Yeah, everything's on
liquidated,
sale. Everything's on sale. Yeah.
That's what I think.
Thanks.
The thing
yeah.
is, do you have enough fund to buy the sale? I had to like squeeze every fund I have to like fix my position. And to be honest, I didn't look at my near bag. I really don't want to look at it. I'm gonna be really pissed if I look at it. So I'm just gonna leave it, not knowing what I lost there.
I mean, yeah, I'm not. I mean, I haven't been entering the market here. Like, so it's not smart to be entering right now. So I haven't really been doing much of that. Just some small positions, swing trading, really scalping, but nothing crazy. No crazy enters recently. I guess I've been waiting if we get it back. I mean, yeah, exactly, Ryan. I mean, if we were to come back down, that would be the time I enter. Otherwise, I'm happy in my positions. I'm pretty packed in. I've already got positions everywhere pretty much that I want. But I've got a pretty fat bag waiting if we do need to load back up because I'm very bullish in 2025. I just don't know if I'm going to see it, to be honest. So I'm okay with holding it for tax season because I know taxes is going to be awful this year. Okay, so I've got MEXC pulled up here. I see the future side. It's pretty cool.
But that made me think something, guys. Imagine he launched a token and it's like a shitcoin and it did that much volume. I mean, look at the volume it did so far. $1.48 billion in volume. It did the token in like 4 hours. What he can do if he says, for example,
when you say who are you referring to?
Trump.
Okay.
Or whoever manages his crypto portfolio thing.
Yeah.
Okay. How much of market manipulation there gonna be if ever they wanted to manipulate tokens? I'm talking about like XRP, ETH, Sol, Solana, and other tokens that in the talk to be actually manipulated. Like a one tweak or one thing that they can just implement into it in the government thing. I don't know. You guys know more about your country. That will send the tokens to like off charts.
Like what?
Like what?
Like XRP approving XRP to replace the SWIFT system, for example.
Yeah.
What will put
been
XRP
hearing that
at?
for years.
Yeah, but I'm saying, imagine if Trump started doing things. You know how much money people in that circle will be making.
Are we talking like
XRP is almost $4? Fuck me, man. And that XRP is almost. Who the fuck thought XRP is gonna hit $4? I haven't seen. I'm a big bag holder of XRP before. I sold it because I give up.
You didn't want the Flare token?
No, man. I waited like a cycle and a half for it to fucking pump, and it's not pumping. I rotated my fund somewhere else and I start making money. That shit was a stable coin more than a coin.
You sound like the most retail trader I've ever heard. Like, I held for 2 seconds, it did pump. You sound like the exact meme that we see of retail traders right now.
Oh God, man. I mean,
589.
Unbelievable. 589.
XRP to 589.
It's dialed.
Dude, if XRP replaced the SWIFT system, that thing is flying off charts.
I don't know if that's gonna happen.
If or when.
I don't think that's
I don't know. I mean, they have been trying for a century already to fucking replace the SWIFT system. But
and
that's hilarious.
You're sitting here worried about the IRS and the taxes. I don't know if you guys saw it. The external revenue service is on the way, so we don't have anything to worry about anymore. Did you guys not see this?
See what?
Wait, what? Sorry?
I thought you guys kept up. I thought you guys kept up with the news.
No, it cut out. I was oh my God, dude. I cannot believe how much this short just played out. Like,
you still can short it, Cade. It's still at 11 billion.
No,
you still can short it, bro.
I can. It's just not worth the. It's not worth the risk anymore. Remember how I said earlier? It's worth it when there's a clear path for a 5-to-1 risk ratio. If there's not a clear path to 5, I don't take the trade. If it's a 2, like it is now, because I just lost 50% of the trade already, it's not worth entering anymore. It's only worth it if the 5-to-1 ratio is there. That's just how that's how I was taught. It works. I know so many traders who follow it, and it does work. And the second it stops working is when you say, well, it's 3-to-1 this time. Let me just take one. And then it's 2-to-1 one day. Then it's 1-to-1. And that's how you get wrecked, because it might be that this is a good trade and that it might actually play out and I could short this from here to here, but it doesn't follow my strategy. So long term, I don't like the idea because it's teaching me to go against my strategy, which I know works. And I'm more interested in the skill set developing over time than I am taking this trade and making a 30% gain. That's kind of how I think about it in my head, at least. So that's just, I don't know. I think that's helpful. It's like a mindset thing for traders. I mean, just think about it. Like if you learn how to trade at 20 something years old and, 30 years of trading later, you're still trading, but you're just better at it. And you've got more money because you've been working for 30 years and you've been trading and making money, hopefully. Just imagine like how good of a skill set that is to know. And then just having like a dialed in strategy for 30 years that works and it's just like, that is what I'm going for. That's like the dream scenario.
Or you're 26 and you say, fuck it, like 3 times. And then you never have to do any of that. You don't have to do any of that. You just sit back with your feet up on a beach in Punta Cana or wherever the fuck you are.
I'm glad one person's
do that for the next 30 years instead of having to do all the trades.
Oh my gosh. And why? Bro, you can't throw this kind of comment in here like that. What does that even mean? The world? You think the world's going to be gone?
Trump's going to buy Greenland. So that's the start of the end.
Yeah. I mean,
we're back to
I'm dying.
See what I mean? Just look at that. Look at that. If I short it, now I'm down. And my honestly, bro, my my sell stop would have been, if this here. So if I had shorted, where was it when you said? Was it here? Like around here? I think.
Yeah, 11 something.
Right. So the short would have been from here to around like this level, and my like this is where I would have gotten out. I would have been stopped out. Look. This is the top of the candle.
You have.
I would have exited, so I would have gotten stopped out here, and I would have lost the position already. That's what I'm saying.
That's way of that's a safe stop loss. The best way to find the stop loss using this thing is like you have to align it to at least over one pips. I think they call it pips. I don't know or pip. So if you click on the red one, for example, and move it up. Yeah, so you see in the middle the reward. No, keep moving it up. Keep holding it. Yeah, so in the middle you see there is something called risk reward ratio. This one's supposed to be at like 1, basically 1, close to 1, and then you can get a good average of your risk reward ratio. Yeah, 1-to-1 ratio. Yeah,
that's not good. Yeah, not for me. I need a 5-to-1.
You wouldn't been stop lost yet.
I would have. My stop loss would have been here.
You wanted to put it a safe stop loss.
Of course, dude. This is it's way too risky here. Like up here, it's a totally different story. I would have put my thing here at all-time highs because I don't think it was going to break that again. And I would have, that would have been a nice move, but I missed the trade. So it's just on to the next, I think.
I'm losing my voice now.
NFTs have helped me with FOMO a little bit because I know there's always another pump coming. But I see what you're saying. No, I'm talking more about trading strategy here. Like I see what you're saying. You have to short. Yeah. Sell the straight. No, I see what you're saying. That's a good point, actually. Like sometimes you have to jump on the opportunity, I think is what he's saying. I get what you're saying there. Let's see. So can I send, I am going to deposit some money into my MEXC though. For the next few
Dude, that's
days.
a good short now. It's back to 12 billion, man. By the time you deposit your money, maybe it push a bit to the 13 and then you short it.
All right. Let me send some right now. Oh my God. Solana might be experiencing delays, it says. Look at that. Wouldn't you believe
I'm
it?
26. Bender. I'm
Baby
pretty sick to
sis.
be honest. Yesterday,
like
my
Robin
temperature
Hood
was
all over
around 39, and I was feeling cold, man. I was feeling so cold, and I was like hot.
Really?
Yeah, I was like 39 Celsius, and then I was feeling cold. Like feeling really cold. So starting to look with 8K.
What is it?
Dude, Kate,
This, no.
it's creeping back to the 13 billion, bro. That's a good short if you really think it's gonna short. It's creeping back to 13 billion. Look at it.
It's not about that. It's about where we were when I was going to say short. We were at a point where I said the reversal's in. When we
but by the time you deposit your fund and you're ready to go,
No,
no,
it
but
will be where it was.
No, but I'm saying it only made sense while we were up here. Now that we're coming back up, I don't have the same. The trade is not the same trade for me anymore. It was only here when we were trying to break this previous high, where if we broke it, we were going to send. But because we didn't break this one, and as soon as I saw this red, I was like, yeah, this is going to come down. But now that we're here, it's not the same story. Now it's an entirely different set of buyers here that are driving this price up. I see now. Now it's just.
You know, I promised myself I will never touch leverage trading again, or I would have gone for the leverage.
It's time, dude. It's time.
But hey, maybe the European market, they're about to get in and start getting into this, right? Like
That's possible, yeah. I don't know. I've heard that a few times, and it never ends up panning out my way overnight.
Do you think EU market is stronger than the US market in crypto?
What's up?
Do you guys think the EU market is stronger than the US market in crypto?
No, I don't think so.
In terms of, like, let's say liquidity?
Mm-mm.
I don't think so, right?
No, I don't think so.
what about for Trump coin?
I think it's even less.
I think for anyone outside the United States will be bullish on the Trump coin than the one from the United States.
Why?
Because we look at it in different perspective. Like, it's president, it's United States of America, the president launching a token, blah blah blah, stuff like this, away from politics and other stuff. So, but you guys have a different view on it, basically, like different
Like
angles.
what?
I don't know, man. Politics angle, whatever it is.
The only thing that you
his sister,
the only thing that you said were
brother.
like things that are true. Like you just said like actual facts. Like,
I
you
just
didn't
say
you know,
I feel that people outside the state will be bullish on a token that is launched from your president than you bullish on a token that launched from your president. That's what I feel.
Why do you think that is?
I just said why, man.
We're not.
No,
we're
but
not
I'm
working on
just
that.
I'm not trying to like catch you on something. I'm trying to gain perspective here. I'm asking like, so why do you think that is?
Because for us, when we are looking at it, that is the United States, like Trump making waves in crypto, stuff like this. But I think most of you there will be looking at it in a different perspective, as if like it's some sort of like a party move, or like a family member move, or like other stuff move, and politic angle, maybe different angles that we don't have access to or we don't see if we are living outside the States. That's what I feel. Tax is so cheating. Oh, I wish I cheated, man. I wish I cheated my bag when I wanted to cheat today. There we go, Kate. It's creeping back to where you wanted to be for the short.
Yeah, but the thing is, Seuss, where I'm seeing it now versus where it was, this was a dialed in retracement. This right now feels more like we're going to chop. I think we're going to do a lot of this now. It's not worth it for me to open a short because that's what I think is going to happen. I don't see this large rejection happen. It could happen. I just for me, the risk, now that we've seen this big correction, I feel like we're going to, I feel like this is what I think. I think we're in this zone now. So, I don't really use DEX tools for any of these things. What do I want to use? I'll just draw a line. I don't really feel like getting too. Like, honestly, this is so. It just feels like they're going to be in this range for a while. This is what it feels like. It's going to be like chopping between here and here. up a little bit, then it's gonna be down. Then I just feel like that's gonna be the play. And yeah, I mean, there are trades here, but it's like I just feel like the risk reward is not going to be great for you. Like you're not going to be able to get much return, and the risk is going to be pretty strong. That's just my thoughts. It just doesn't feel like. I think the times have entered the market may have been a little bit ago. Okay, so I see EMP here. It's a decent point. It's really surface. It's literally surface level. You see the president of the United States, the most powerful man on the planet, launching coins just bullish to other countries. Possible.
Yeah.
Rhyme says only crypto people take him seriously. Outside, people see him as a grifter. Bender says death, taxes, Sue Steven. I try to. I mean, we'll see. I can be totally wrong.
Bender,
It's
you
just-
were not here when we are
feel.
showing how Zach made me his exit liquidity for 500% profit today.
The worst.
You have to go back in the stream and see it, man. We pulled some screenshot.
So funny. So funny. Yeah, that's too bad, bro. This by the time I got my funds into this account, it's kind of. Oh, dude, this is genius, bro. Long the top or long the bottom and short the top. This guy.
This
guy
is the
gets it.
way. Yeah,
It's
this
easy.
is the way.
It's just so easy. It's so easy. It goes up, you win. It
It's
goes
just
down, you
one
win.
click button, man. One click
Exactly.
and a dream.
One click and a dream. That's what Seuss says every time he enters a trade. He says, "Well, please, Lord, please go up." It's so funny.
Listen, I have never went a crazy on a meme coin, to be honest. Like the one I'm in right now. I'm literally, it's an AI meme coin, but I'm literally like 90% of my portfolio on it. No, it's not Ren. It's Hinlu, actually. That I told Zach many times to buy it. And it's at a really good discount now, Zach, if you want to enter, man.
Not
It's
falling
at
for
a
your
really good
traps.
price. I shilled this token to the guys when it was at 15 million market cap. 18, 25, 30, and 35, and 40, and 50, and 60. I keep shilling it to you guys.
one click and a dream.
It really was. That was such a bar. That was such a bar. That's gonna be the quote of the year, 2025. One click and a dream, baby. That's a show name right there. That's beautiful. Source out here, sourcing exit liquidity. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
10
God,
bot,
man.
10 bot, one click.
Oh gosh, so funny.
No.
Okay, look at this. So we're looking at Trump token right now, and we might
It's
we might be
creeping
really on
up.
point here. No, I think we're gonna
It's really
top.
creeping up, though,
No,
to be honest.
no,
To what?
that's not honest. Yeah, to where?
To 13.
Yeah, back down to 12.
Starting to
though,
look
right?
like Mount Rushmore a little bit.
I did
Oh,
sold at like
no.
13.5. So,
There you go.
hey, man, I didn't complain. I made nine sold from it.
Yeah, you did
I
well.
rotated it to my.
Good trade.
I rotated it
Despite
to my.
everyone making fun of you, you're the only one who made a successful trade on this coin. So
Thank you. That's a true statement there.
all right, let's see. I'm gonna get rid of most of the soul here.
We have Jay confirming in the chat. EU market ain't buying the.
He says he's not
Trump
gonna.
coin.
Jay's out here. Where's he?
It's in the TG group chat.
Oh, that's funny.
He gave us the confirmation. President Jay.
Just staying on the sidelines, as usual, Jay.
Dang, you're gonna let him say that
Unwilling
to
to
you?
join.
That's crazy.
You see, that's the guy. That's the guy. You always side with him against me. You see,
Brutal.
keep roasting you. You see. I feel.
He's getting roasted. Not roasting, just saying. Like, just.
Yeah, I know what I know. Okay, we are just kidding, but I know what's your angle.
It's
We
not
all
peer
want
pressure, it's motivation.
Yeah, we all want Jay to actually jump in the stream and try
Yeah.
to do it. Yeah, I know what you mean, man. Come on, stop trying to like explain yourself. You don't have to.
It's 30 in the morning here right now. Oh my gosh. Jay, how
Oh,
do I fall
God.
asleep? Trump launches a coin. That's so funny. He says short it. I tried. I just like literally could not get into the trade fast enough. I'm an idiot for not adding him the money
Yeah.
down faster.
Yo, I will tell you something. Imagine Jay buying the Trump coin at like 1 billion and getting at 4 billion and watch it go to 15. He's not gonna show up again.
Show
He
your
got
face depression, Jay.
PTSD. He got PTSD from Purge. He legit doesn't sell any token anymore.
Wait, I need to check. I feel like Purge was supposed to do something. Did they miss a deadline?
I don't know, man.
I thought Purge was. They were up to something, but I don't know.
Oh wow. Oh wow. I'm so down on my Purge. Oh wow.
Yeah, I
I'm
wouldn't
gonna say,
advise.
Purge
Don't
might be
check
my,
that.
My actual worst bag.
Wow.
Yeah. Purge is down the most for me. I thought that was supposed to be the big
Dude.
winner.
Oh
You
my
said you're
god, that
supposed
was I supposed.
You said you're
Dude.
bullish.
Damn, man.
Oh my god! Go to the Purge
do?
main Twitter account. Purge on
Wait,
near.
why?
Like,
Wait, what happened? Does someone else want to share their screen, by the way? Zach, do you want to share your screen or Seuss?
no, just go to the first. Like, it's just it was a tough start to the.
You have a link?
Yeah, what?
It's just
Purge
last
did. Purge did. They tweeted something about Seuss, if I recall.
What's their
Cool.
Twitter again?
Purge on near.
Did they tweet something about me?
Let's see. All right, this
Oh
is
yeah,
them, right?
yeah. You. They say tag
Look at
him.
this. Yeah, just go past the pin tweet.
It says like if you tag him, they will
Dude,
analyze it,
Tough.
and they
tough
analyze me
first
as an
tweet.
NFT guy.
That's what I was saying. I'm like, man, tough, really tough first tweet there.
I feel like I'm not sure what to think about this Purge token, bro. I feel like it might be kind of dead. Like 35 views is crazy. 47 views, 1 like. Like, let's, I don't know if there's anything really here.
Well, they still have the community.
Where? All 61 of them? How's our boy Trump doing?
Oh, Tuesday, January 21st. Let us pray. PREY.
Well,
There's
isn't-
there's a
Sorry.
space.
Zach, but that account, that isn't the Purge account, right? Like the
That's
Father
operator
Forgive Me
number
account?
6. Yeah.
Oh, that's operator number 6.
Yeah, and then there's also operator number 9. See what he's up to.
But no, that was just Purge account. The one we were just looking at, it's just like Purge. And that's not Purge's actual account. That's got like NDC Baddies account vibes.
Which one?
The Purge on near.
Oh, yeah. I mean, that's like the main active one. That's the non-AI one. I feel like there's actually a real person doing that one.
Oh, gotcha. Well, that's an even more questionable choice than some of these tweets. Well, shit.
How long we have been? We have been live for almost 2 hours, guys, for a short stream.
I know. I didn't expect
140.
this thing to run so fast, bro.
That has some good recovery, to be honest, with the pullback. Trump coin. That did 35% recovery already. Pretty good.
Is that financial advice?
Nah. I'm gonna buy some tokens in Sol now.
Yo, get Jay in here.
Uh-oh, here we
Jay,
This is
go.
bro.
our-
I'm gonna
our
go and
favorite-
sleep, bro.
Anime
Oh, Jay's here?
robot. Yep, here we go.
What?
The old
go,
anime
dude.
robot himself.
Wow.
The
What's
EU
up,
markets have arrived, guys.
All right, everything's gonna start pumping. It's possible, dude. I mean, we could. This thing could break all-time highs. I just really don't think this has got much left. I mean,
Yeah, Jay,
what do you think,
are
Jay? You're
aping-
thinking the
aping
EU
the
doesn't go
Trump right
crazy
here?
hard, or what do you think?
No, I think EU does not care about this, but that's just me.
You're not selling all your other coins for Trump right now?
What are the coins?
Brexit coin.
Yeah, big Brexit coin. That would be big. No, that would also be terrible. I can't believe I fell asleep for like 3 hours in this launch in that timeline. That's insane.
TP70. Let's go.
Yes, let's make some leverage plays and practice zero safety and just pray. What is it? What was it that Sue said?
Hey, I mean, are
Click
we
buttons
gonna
and-
demonstrate an appetite for degeneracy or not?
Just trying
Welcome
to figure
to the
out if I wanna
jungle.
enter this. Trying to figure out if I want to enter this trade or not. It's just way too choppy right now. I can't really predict which way it could go from this point.
Dude, just go for it. Stop thinking, man.
This is
You're
how you
one
land.
click- You're one click away from the dream.
God.
Zeus, have you jumped on the leverage yet?
Man. Just one
Nah.
click away from that jackpot, dude. You're not gonna win if you don't play.
True. That is true.
So Jay, there are people in the chat that are asking if you could give an answer as to why you refuse to go on camera. Just if you could just explain it once and for all for everyone.
I mean, right now, it's because I'm in bed.
Okay,
This
fair
is,
reason.
Trump is the big. Can you imagine the account with 880% just sells their whole position right here? That would be the story of the week, and I would not be surprised at all if that happened, but it would be pretty crazy. All right, looks like we're gonna make another test of this all-time high again, though. I don't know if we're gonna hit it. I don't think we're gonna break through it, but I think we can test it again.
Yeah,
Uh-oh,
that
I was
was
calling you
Jay's.
out,
That was
Dang. Of
I mean,
course,
yeah, if
nothing
we
has
didn't launch
changed.
when I
It's
was
still
in
the same
bed,
time.
then-
Yeah.
Yeah,
I was
it's
saying.
literally just the same time.
Yeah, it's just the same time. It makes sense. You'll have the same excuse every time. But we're going to do an earlier stream at some point in the next one or
Yup.
two. And we'll have one for Jay so that he's not having to log in at just ridiculous times. I mean, I'm not going to lie. This time is pretty bad for everybody, I feel
What
like.
time is it? Yeah, I was just gonna say, like,
Yeah,
my
3:30 a.m.
goodness.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. I got to
I
go
don't
to
know,
sleep
man. I'm
like
a
in 15
psycho.
minutes.
So
Yeah,
I'm just
I
getting
don't think I'm
going.
gonna enter this trade anyway, guys. I'm gonna keep this like account ready to go in case I think there's, I'm gonna try out some leverage trading, but like not right now. This is not when I enter leverage trades. This is pure gambling. If you're getting at these
If
prices,
not now, when?
right here would have been exactly it. Right here would have been exactly the trade,
Dude,
and I was so ready.
It's
but-
already at 15 billion market cap. Just enter the short, man.
Yeah, but that's the thing. The reward is not there. I don't see it going low enough for me to enter there's not enough reward for me to enter it. I don't see it going lower than I don't see it coming down to these prices again. I think I don't know. I feel like it's just going to chop. So because it's going to chop, I have a higher chance of getting stopped out because I don't know where to put my stop loss here because I could see it breaking all-time highs. I just don't know I don't know what kind of price action we're going to see overnight.
Look,
I just think
let
we're
the
going to
record
range in this
show.
area a lot.
Hey, this
Cade,
is
not
a
bullish
don't
on Trump.
sleep.
Cade is not bullish on Trump. That's really what it boils down to.
I said it earlier in the stream. I said if we
Yeah.
run, we will not even cross 17 billion in this stream or tonight. I said under 17 billion, and we're sitting at 14
And I
billion,
predict
so-
me and Munza predicted over 20 billion
Mhm.
by tomorrow.
I don't know what tomorrow
No,
exactly
I-
means, but
I'm not gonna lie. I said right now. I said we're going to 20 billion right now.
oh no.
Oh, it's solely on
Guys,
the hype train.
I need to go, man. I
Yeah,
can't
we're
even
gonna-
open my eyes.
All right, Zeus. Well, I was gonna say we might stay on for a few extra minutes because Jay just popped in.
Yeah, okay, we
I
can
was
stay
gonna
for a
get
few
some of
extra
Jay's
minutes for
thoughts.
Jay.
Oh, do you want to stay, Zeus?
Yeah, I will wait for Jay. Let's see what this EU guy who speak for the whole EU that they are not gonna buy
Exactly.
what he thinks.
This guy. Bumper bags. Jay.
Go
What are you
ahead,
doing, bro?
Jay.
I
Come
need
on.
the,
Come
I
on.
need the backstory for this, to be honest, though. Like,
Yeah, there's not much. There's
Do we
one
have
tweet from
anything?
Trump's Twitter accounts and no other
So
socials. That's
there
it.
is somebody. There's this guy. His name's Donald Trump. That he, you know, he ran. He had this show called The Apprentice.
Well, he got a small
oh, we're
loan.
going all the way back.
Well, I don't know. I don't know how. I don't know what you know and what you don't know. So you just said you weren't sure.
Oh, tonight. Where did this come from tonight?
From the desk of Donald
Where?
Trump. They launched it straight from the Mar-a-Lago bathrooms.
Yeah, I mean, Jay, there's like no context. Like quite literally, Trump tweeted something, didn't post about it on True Social or any other platform.
Allegedly.
Nobody knows anything about it, and it's just sending. I think this might be not real, and if they found out that it might not be real, I think this could drop back down to 2 billion pretty quickly. In which case,
Imagine
the short
it-
position would be so lit.
Jay.
Imagine
It was-
this
Yeah,
is
wait for
all.
that.
It was
Tom.
posted. It was posted straight from Donald's Twitter account, not
That gets deleted.
from his
we are
Truth
so
Social.
close, bro.
Nothing from Truth Social though. So just keep that in mind. Nothing has been
True.
retruthed
Mainstream
yet.
media.
Yeah, no retruths yet, but it was
No
on
Elon.
it was on Elon's free speech platform. So just keep that in mind.
Not on Meta. No.
Nowhere, just Twitter. That's why it's weird.
Oh.
Mm.
It's just
Yeah.
weird he wouldn't let his Truth Social people like eat first. You know, that
Exactly.
would have made perfect sense. It just doesn't feel. It just feels a little weird. So, yeah, I'm not sure. A part of me wants to put a full-on short, no, what's the word?
No fuck given.
No stop loss. It's just like play this is gonna go to zero card and just be like, let me just see what happens if I open a 50x position and just say, let's see. This is not if I yeah, it would be strange that this runs for so long. Even I'm pretty sure even Elon has commented on it now. So I don't know. It's just weird. It's just a strange thing. I don't know.
I think it's weird that Elon hasn't commented on it yet.
I guess someone tweeted out
Well,
something.
maybe he hasn't been on Twitter lately. You know, he takes
He's
breaks
asleep.
from time to time.
Yeah,
No,
could be
he
asleep.
tweeted couple of tweets. I check his profile. He tweeted couple of tweets after the token was launched for like 2 hours.
What did he say? Anything?
To the moon.
Anything
He didn't
noteworthy?
tweet about Trump. He just tweeted about random stuff and retweeted.
It was about forest management.
Oh yeah, sad.
I know that because someone tagged him. I was reading the comment on Trump tweet, and someone tagged him, and I just click on it to see if he's like, if he was there when he tagged him, and apparently he logged in. So
Well,
yeah, I think Rhyme is right. If it was a rug, something would have been said already. If it was hacked or something. But you can change your position now, kid, too long.
Have we checked the Telegram yet? Did anybody say anything in the Telegram channel?
I don't know. I didn't follow, to be honest, any like political stuff, people.
What about the
do
real
they
source
hope-
of truth? TikTok. No.
It looks like
Oh.
Antonio Brown. It looks like Antonio Brown had some insider information. It's like I'm sending you this tweet.
What?
Keep going,
CTESPN?
Do you
Yeah, I'm
guys
not-
think crypto market will pump or dump on Monday?
I think I think a lot of people are expecting it to dump. It's possible because of that. We don't, and we just keep trending up. I don't know.
I mean, it all depends on the first couple week of him
Just-
in the presidential. What he's gonna do the ruling.
I just don't. I
with
don't
the-
see a situation where
with
Trump just goes
crypto.
up there, does his speech, and crypto just crashes. That doesn't feel like it makes any sense. It feels
But
like we
isn't
just
it?
keep
Isn't
going up.
isn't it? People are bullish on crypto now because Trump hinted that.
That's what I'm saying.
he-
I just don't think
they're-
it. Like,
they're
tell the
gonna-
news
no,
event
no.
doesn't feel like it makes sense here.
Yeah, because the crypto market was crashing because the DOJ got the ruling to sell off 6 point something billion of bitcoins, right? In dollar, I mean, which is around 60 or 90 something of bitcoins. I forgot, but and then market went bearish, right? Because everyone is expecting a big dump because the DOJ cannot hold the illiquid asset. It need to be liquid, right? So they have to sell it. They can't just hold it in there. And then after that, Trump went out and said something that hinted for the people he's gonna veto it. But as far as like my research, because I tried to research about it a bit, I know that it says that Trump cannot veto a DOJ ruling and cannot veto the Supreme Court. It has to be done with the Congress. The Congress have to vote on it. But Trump cannot go and veto it, to like, don't sell it, hold it as a reserve. Which I'm not sure what is right and what is wrong. But if that's the case, then why people suddenly went bullish that US government is not going to sell that Bitcoins?
I don't know, dude. I don't know, actually.
What?
Right? So
I
I think
don't think there's really any regulations on this shit right now. It's gonna whatever happens, it's gonna be created. There's gonna be new laws written. There's gonna be some new shit happening.
yeah, but the DOJ
Yeah,
already
yeah, I
rolled.
mean, it's not. Hold on, it's not like Trump has his finger on a button, like El Salvador, and is like, I'm selling this Bitcoin right now. I'm buying this Bitcoin right now. Like, yeah, it's that's not how it's gonna work. But there's also not any defined like anything right now. So it's just wait and see on everything. Basically.
Yeah, and then
It's all
speaking of
speculation, everything.
yeah, and speaking of FTX, I hear that they're gonna unlock like 1 billion plus of its assets to be distributed. I read it somewhere, to be honest. I'm not sure, but anyway, I think it all depends on what Trump does in the first weeks. What kind of like regulation or crypto things he's gonna do that is gonna make the market bullish or bearish. For me, I see BTC have to dump for the alt season to come. I feel BTC is pulling a lot of the liquidity in the market. And I really want to see BTC like having a big correction that will help to let the liquidity flow into the altcoins a bit. But yeah, that's that. I myself don't hold Bitcoin. I didn't buy Bitcoin. I don't see it. Listen, like I agree with Nono. If I want a Bitcoin, I will just buy it and just put it aside, right? But either way, like if my portfolio is like 10,000, 20,000, 15,000, 30,000, whatever, how much you're gonna make of a Bitcoin when you buy it at like 100,000, and you have to wait for it to go like 200,000 to make 2x. But you can put it in like any other tokens like near, for example, ETH.
No, but you're not thinking about Bitcoin.
Injective.
You're not thinking about Bitcoin the way Noah's thinking
I'm
about
thinking
it. It's
about
not-
profit.
No, and that's exactly what I'm saying. But you're looking
You're
at
thinking
Bitcoin-
about
Yeah.
short-term gains, is what you're thinking about.
not
You're
not
thinking
even
about
that. You're just
short-term
looking
gains.
at Bitcoin like a stock rather than looking at it being
Right.
counted as satoshis. You're like, what are you going to sell it into? Dollars. Why? It's going down in value. That's the whole point of Bitcoin is you hold it in Bitcoin because it's worth satoshis. That's like the long-term play. That's why he's so macro. Like when he went on the stream or the space and was like, I'm a huge bull of Bitcoin. I don't want anything being built. I mean, you're talking about like someone saying, here's a diamond. There's 21 of these diamonds in the world. I've got one. I could cut it up into small little pieces and buy ordinals with it and buy runes and do these things, but I'd rather just have this diamond and either grow the diamond or buy another one. It's like his thought. There's only so many of them. So you're like, oh, but you could sell the diamond for money. You're like, what? The money that's going down in value? No, hold on to my diamond. There's less of this.
Yeah.
This is going to be more valuable. That's the
I
whole
mean,
play with Bitcoin.
Cade, you remember what I said all the way back. It was like almost when we first met, probably, and it was like I was just like, look, whenever I get Bitcoin, I buy Bitcoin to put it into my hardware or my cold storage wallet, and like it's just there. Like that's just where it lives, like in perpetuity.
That's the way.
I mean,
think.
it depends also. It depends on what type of crypto guy you are. Like, for example, for me as a person, I rely full time on Web3. My entire income is Web3. So
Oh yeah,
I am not a long term holder for any of my crypto asset. I hold as much as I can. At the end of the day, end of the month, I have to come look at my portfolio and sell some of my tokens to pay bills. You know what I'm saying? So I'm consistently looking at making gains or big gains in shorter times than big gains in the long terms.
Is that happening, or you think you'd be higher up just buying Bitcoin over the last year and a half?
but and here's
No,
the
no,
other
no.
thing, Suits, to think about. Like, do you think Bitcoin is going down from here? Like right now, between now and 5 years, is Bitcoin going down?
I
10
don't see
years,
Bitcoin.
or
I don't
15
see
years,
Bitcoin.
like-
I don't see Bitcoin going back to the level that it was before. I don't think we
Right.
will
So
see
then, what
that
are you worried
prices.
about?
Yeah.
So what are you worried
I'm
about?
not worried
Like-
about anything. This is what I'm saying. I want to make more profit. And with the money I have, I can't make profit as fast as I can with altcoins that have a potential of 3 to 5x.
So what's wrong with DCA into Bitcoin? Like
Because
once a
I will
week,
end
once a
up
month,
selling
once
it.
whatever. Like what's wrong with
Yeah,
that?
but
And
I will
just
end
like
up
stack
selling
as
it.
Kate, as our guy Kate says, stack sats.
I will end up selling it to pay my bills. It's gonna be like that. You know, my entire crypto portfolio now, if it reach a certain number, I'm fully selling it, okay, to buy a house, for example, or to build a cabin that I wanted to do. You know, so I have goals in my crypto career, not in long term holding. I want to like fix my life with me being in crypto. So I work and earn from crypto. I want to have a long term bag. Don't get me wrong. I have my ledger. I have my hardware wallet where I store a long term bag. You know, but that wallet I cracked it open a year ago to fix my house when it got damaged from the typhoon. So like these funds I'm gonna use it. It's not like
Right.
I don't
no,
have.
and like
I
here's the
don't,
thing. I
like-
mean, everybody has
Yeah.
different goals. Like everybody has different, directions that they want to go financially. Like obviously, but I think it's just, I'm not trying to give anybody financial advice by any means, other than it's like, I think you're kind of selling yourself short, or you're selling Bitcoin short, or you're just kind of like, enough about it, like to know to just, hey, this should probably occupy at least some part of my long-term portfolio. Like, even if it's just like, hey, like, it's almost like a retirement account. Like, that's kind of how I would even view it, where it's just like, hey, like, this is just kind of like investment. It's a savings account. Like, this is just like, put this over here, and like, I don't even worry about that, even if it's just like a little bit at a time. That's how I look at Bitcoin. I'm not saying that's like the right way. I'm just saying like it,
Yeah, you're right. But that's if I have a long term account. Most of my long term account got out, I think, early
Yeah.
this year. I started from scratch. I think all of you know, like I bought a good family car, and I enrolled the kids in the school and all the other thing. And so I ended up selling all my bag, and I started from scratch, and I build up my bag now, and I'm expecting to sell it all at some point to reach goals in life, which, for example, I want to build or buy a better house, for example, or I want to build up a business IRL, for example, because I don't want to rely too much on Web3. At this point, at where the stage I am now, okay, I don't see, I want to have savings, okay, and I would rather have my savings in Bitcoin than fiat, 100%.
Yeah.
Okay, I do that, and I know that the entire banking thing, I have like bad fucking experience with it. I got fucking blocked from Western Union, and I couldn't get my money because they thought that I'm money laundering, and I'm sending my own money to my brother. But anyway, I would rather hold Bitcoin than fiat. The thing is, I don't have savings. I have my crypto portfolio that I trade with every day, and whatever I make, I pay bills with it. You know what I'm saying? So it grows.
Are you saying are you a profitable trader every single month?
Yeah. In a way, yeah.
You're a profitable trader every single month?
I've been
enough to pay bills. You're paying enough bills day trading every month?
Kind of, yeah.
I'm about to start
In the
copy
past-
trading sushi
Because
now.
I don't know. That was a
And in the-
slow answer.
No. In the
the
past,
only thing I'm saying is, like,
because it goes like this. It depends on the market as well. Okay. For example, the past 3 months, I didn't rely on my Nico bag, on my Nico salary and jump allocation. I relied on my trades. My trades were profitable. But in the months before it, I had to rely on my Nico bags. That's why when Nico pumped so hard, I didn't have any Nico bags because I was selling to pay bills. Right? But now I ended up having a big Nico bag, and I haven't have a big Nico bag saved and staked and baked into cookies for a long time because I was paying bills with it. But for the couple last month, I haven't needed to sell any of my allocation salaries to pay bills. And it kind of came from like the trades, so I would say like for the past few months, yeah, but the past few months before it, no. It also depends on how the market is. I don't like, I ended up, for example, I'm a spot trader. I don't do any leverage trading, right? So my margin is very low, okay? But I also live in Philippines, and I can live off with like a $2,000, $1,500 to $2,000 that pays everything, including my son autism medical bill. I mean, it's high because of my son autism medical bill.
Yeah.
Right. But yeah, it depends on months. Like for example, when I started from scratch, it was hijack. I put 10 near on it. I got fucking lucky. I sold it for 240 near. I went to.
I see.
Yeah, I went to
Hold on, I'm gonna check my
redacted.
window because I think my window.
I
might be
put it
open.
in
I hear
purge.
thunderstorm outside.
I 10x it. You know what I'm saying? So, like sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. I'm not saying I'm insane traders, but I do win and I do lose sometimes. But I do take risk as well. But I just feel it. Listen, I would love to have. Listen, the time that I can afford to buy one whole BTC, I would legit go and buy a whole BTC. You know what I'm saying? I would buy one whole BTC. But for me now, if my portfolio is like 15,000, 20,000, I would rather gamble it to get another 1,000, 2,000 profit of it in a month to pay bills than put it in a BTC and it generate me, let's say, 500 or 300, because BTC have to pump really, the margin has to be really high for me to be high profitable when it's come to BTC, because it's a high price. It's different when you're buying a token at $2 and selling it at $4. When you're buying Bitcoin at 100,000 and you're selling it at 105,000, you didn't really make any money. With like 10,000, you make like a bit of money, right?
Yeah, just
That's
comes
how
down
I
to
see
time
it.
horizons. Like,
Yeah,
I'm kind of with you. I'm on the same time horizon with you. I feel like we have very similar patterns with trading in that way. Like,
yeah, you you
both
got my
would love
point,
to-
right? Yeah.
Yeah, both would love to have the long-term bags, but right now it's not an option, right?
Yeah, exactly. It's like I'm not in the position to have like a lot of, I don't have a lot of income to like have, okay, this is my bag. Listen, if I die, you're gonna have a lot of money saved here, you know?
Yeah.
I wish, but I'm not at this point here yet, you know?
You'd have
Maybe
to-
one day, hopefully. Yeah, but working Web3, full-time Web3 with limited funding is really pain. Like I think Cade can relate to it, you know.
Yep.
But I think Cade he's more talented than I am. He can generate a different stream of revenue. Where my stream of revenue is like centered around two apps or two dApps on Near Protocol, which is Nico and Jump. So at Nico price now, my allocation isn't worth much, to be honest. You know, because the token is like really down. You know, so I need to find different revenue than my allocation to pay my bills, and that comes the trading. You know what I'm saying? And it also helped that I live in Philippines, of course, because I
Yeah.
don't pay as much as you guys pay, and I don't pay taxes on my crypto. That's a big thing.
That's huge.
Wow.
Yeah, that's a huge thing. I don't pay taxes. Yes, the thing is like, yeah, the thing is, I don't pay taxes. The government doesn't say anything. It's just you don't have any access to like medical care, loans, or whatsoever. I hate loans anyway. I feel like it's the biggest scam, shitty thing. I ended up paying for my house 4 times the price or 5 times the price. Okay, where if you
Mhm.
paid it cash, you would have got it really cheap. But my wife pays taxes. So if I really we needed a loan, it's gonna be my wife who's loaning. I don't need to pay my crypto as a loan. You know what I'm saying? Like taxes.
Yeah.
Medical care sucks. The medical insurance in Philippines is literally garbage, dog shit. So doesn't fucking matter, you know.
Yeah, real quick, by the way, this Trump token is literally playing out exactly how I said it would on the stream. It's not weird. It crashed exactly where I said, and then I said, I think we're range bound after that. And it's pretty much
It's consolidating for a bit, right? It have been consolidating for some time already.
This is a point where I don't enter leverage trades in this kind of area. It's just too hard to predict. If we're at the top of the range, and I'm like, oh yeah, this is the part where I short. Like if we like here is like you said, so it's just like a decent place to short. I just didn't know because I need to see where we're testing it. But we failed 3 times. So now I'm like, okay, now we're definitely in a range. So if we come to the top of this channel, yeah, you short. Bottom of the channel, you long. Like that's relatively easy once you've established this area. But we didn't have that established yet, so you're taking a massive risk. So it's interesting. I think the rest of the night's probably going to play out kind of boring. I feel like it's going to be a little bit choppy, a little bit up, a little bit down. And then we'll see kind of where we're at tomorrow. But man, what a crazy night, dude. This was way more exciting than I thought it was going to be. Like me and Monster jumped on, bros. Me and Monster for like 20 minutes, just us talking. We're like so bored. And we're like, oh, this Trump truck is pretty cool. I looked at it. It was pretty fun. And then things just picked up, bro. Like this ended up being a really entertaining stream. So appreciate you guys coming through, and anyone who's still with us. I don't know if anyone's with us anymore. It's pretty late, but if you are, please give everybody up here a follow, retweet, and dude, I don't even know, comment 10BahtDao or something under our tomorrow's post or something like that. Yeah. So, anyways,
we literally have fun for giveaway in the 10BahtDao wallet, guys, that we are not using.
Yeah, we'll do some of those. Yeah. We'll do some of those. I just gotta think. We gotta plan those.
Yeah.
The next stream we're doing in the daytime, bro. This is too late. It's 4 a.m. here. Zach was so right though when he said in the message, he was like, "Preparing for fatherhood. I like to see it," or something like that. And I was like, "Yeah, I guess so. Hopefully, I am ready by then." But anyways, anyone else have any last thoughts before we sign off? Jay, any thoughts?
I mean, I was just gonna ask, like, realistically, what's the play for someone buying at this level of Trump? Like, what are they wanting, like, over the next like 3-4 days? Like, are they hoping it's a Hail Mary from the speech?
Inauguration, I think like I said earlier in the stream, for these meme coins on Solana, I've seen a really common trend of a day 1 pump, day 2, day 3 consolidation, day 4 giga pump. I don't know why. Day 4 has always been a giga pump moment, and it dwarfs the first run up. I think it's very possible because day 4 just happens to be inauguration day. So if this is anywhere near a bottom of a channel, and I imagine we'll correct back down to these prices again, before inauguration and probably down to here, here, or here. So if we get into these positions here, I might get back in on day 3.5 and ride up the inauguration
With a big
run. I do
bag
think
or
we'll
a
probably
small
run
bag?
a leverage play. I'm not gonna risk a bunch of my liquid, but I'll run
Yeah.
like a 50x leverage on like $500 or something. So I'll be playing with like a $5,000 position, or not 5,000, whatever, the $20,000 position. And then if I make, you know, a 7, 10x, that'd be crazy. But if I make like a 1 or 2x, that's even crazier because I'm trading with like a $20,000 bag equivalent with only $500 of money that I have to risk. So that's probably what I'm gonna do.
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna
Yeah.
do that. So
Yeah, I really think the thing is like Trump is like the new crypto hype man, you know, and
Yes.
him launching a token, I think it's pretty big for a lot of people,
yeah,
and people
this is
bet.
huge, bro. This is
Yeah,
huge
people
for the rest of crypto.
people betting like this is like a president, and he's not a president of like a third world country that no one give a fuck about. You know, he's a president of the United States, so that's something will make people bullish regardless how shitty the tokenomic is, regardless what's the angle of it is. It's gonna make a lot of people bullish, you know, just because of this angle. I do really see it running, to be honest, to 25. I would hold my bag to like 25, 30, but you guys like convince me. But I'll probably look for an entry for a small bag. If it dropped down to like 8, 9, I would go 50% of my bags in it, to be honest. 7 level. I can't
Is
do
it confirmed
leverage.
it's his coin though? Like, is that?
I mean, he
nailed
tweeted
on?
it, but he not firmly confirmed. We'll see. I can't touch leverage not only because I hate it, it's also because of religion perspective. So it's more of a gambling, and gambling is not allowed. I know the entire crypto is gambling, but this one
Yeah, I
have
was
a
gonna
different
say.
perspective. Yeah, so I can't touch leverage. No, I'm trying to be a good man.
So
But,
you're not gonna do it on Neo when it comes out now? Can't be tempted.
Nah.
by the devil?
I'm not gonna touch it. I'm not touching it, man. I'm not. I used to leverage a lot, and I think I used to be good at it after I get tricked a lot on it, a lot.
Look,
But,
no gambling allowed. Only buying Jeter's not allowed tokens on meme.cook.
Well, the angle of it is like this. If you buy a token as a spot, it's like you're buying a gold or a silver. It's the value of it goes up and down based on the market demands. You still own it, you know. But with leverage, you don't own your asset. You like borrow, and then if you lose it, you literally
hold it for
lose
you.
all your money. So
Yeah.
so
Well, there
that's
is
the thing.
on meme.cooking right now. We do have
No,
Stone.
don't tell me we are
Stop.
having a token now before we close the stream, like every time.
No way.
No way, man. We are gonna trade before we
Dude,
go
Zach
to bed.
wants to enter something right now. Zach's feeling it. He wants to enter a
Stone.
position.
What is the
Hey,
token?
well,
What is the
we already got
Show
down.
us
We got
the
down
video.
with Raccoon X earlier today. So
You got 500%. I got minus 30. You got plus 500. There is different.
That's why Zach's ready to go back in.
He's ready, man. I was like, how much you made? And he told me the amount. I told him, okay, prepare to lose it on stream. I was like, yep.
Zach, are you talking about Stone?
Stone, yeah.
Oh,
Stone's not.
You know the Stone man.
Stone is not looking great. It's not looking great.
Why can't I see Stone?
Yeah.
I'm trying to buy right now.
You're not gonna
Looks like
what you
Bender's going to
see.
be getting in with us
Dude,
on Bender's going to be getting on the day 4 Giga Pump. That's the play. Look, if this does anything like I think it'll do, and we range for another 2 days, there could be some action. We might pump up and we might come down a little bit. But as long as if we range without sending, if we don't do any kind of Giga Pump before Monday, I'm probably going to enter on day 3.5 and ride that. I think it will happen if we don't have any crazy movement in the next 2 days. I think we'll consolidate for a couple days. So I do think though, leading into inauguration day, this thing could send to the 30 million kind of thing is possible. But I don't want to be entering this at 15. I don't want to be entering this at 12.
Yeah.
I want to be entering this at 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8 at the most, you know, because I'm confident we'll reach back at these levels, but I need a 2x by the time we get here. By here, I want to sell half my position, you know what I mean? And I want to be playing in profits as much as possible. So I'll keep you. I guess I'll keep everyone updated. If, like people are. I mean, I have no idea if people are going to be watching this trade from the stream. We're kind of at the end here when I said
At least
that.
keep
But
the TG updated.
yeah, I'll let you guys know. But I mean, we're pretty much ranging here. It looks like this is clearly the top of the channel, and this is clearly the bottom of the channel is a little bit less defined. I guess somewhere in this region here between these guys. I think this sell-off is probably not sure, but this sell-off might be a little bit low. But this is pretty much the top. Like if you're shorting here, you could probably do well in this region. But I'm going to go to sleep. I'm not going to. I don't trust the nighttime markets. I'll trust the daytime markets. So that's it for me. Monza, Zach, anything else? All right, boys. I think we call it for the night. Everyone, 10BahtDao. See you later. 3,
Deuces.